Epstein Island? Yeah.
Dude, he entered and he was like, "Hey, can we find an organic way to talk about Epstein Island?" Like, no.
I was like,
You think Epstein spent
what?
money?
Yeah.
How, dude? I don't know how to get it.
Yeah.
Exactly.
It's really serious.
It
Don't
is-
fucking
it
make
is-
this a meme.
yeah, we don't support
No,
Epstein.
I also, that goes without saying. What the fuck?
Oh shit, before this I was supporting him, but
Yeah.
Hushan
We
said
don't
that and I was like, oh
support
shit.
Epstein. Who's supporting Epstein?
You know, earlier I was supporting
Oh,
Epstein, but then I saw what the internet was saying and I realized I
It's
was
like
wrong.
Louis C.K. Hello. Welcome to another episode of Spender Vendor. My name's Govind. This is Hosha. Why are you clapping?
Welcome,
Okay.
welcome.
Yes. You know, people, someone said that I bully you, na?
Yeah.
Immediately,
Yeah.
5 seconds in, I bullied
Yeah,
you.
dude.
So perfect.
You know, I didn't think about it, but you do bully me.
man.
You also bully me. I was talking to Joshua yesterday. Joshua's,
A real identifier.
yeah, we haven't given him a like,
designation yet.
designation.
But we
Our
are,
Reels guy.
Yeah, just so you all know how much
Reels
we're
biz.
spending, guys. We have a guy dedicated just to find reels. Shout out
Yeah.
Joshua.
Yeah.
Hey, don't tell people we are underpaying him. Don't
Yeah.
Joshua will be watching this.
Yeah,
Make a
dude,
reel
Joshua,
out of this
damn it,
only.
sorry, dude. Sorry,
but
man.
then Joshua said,
Yeah.
I was telling Joshua that, oh, someone said I bully you.
Yeah.
And he's like, but you also get bullied because you also act dumb, bitch. I was like, true, I also am dumb.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of
And
people say I'm
sorry.
condescending towards
Yeah.
you. So,
Yeah,
so-
sure. And Antariksh, who we both bully.
Bully. Exactly, dude.
Hey,
Exactly.
welcome. Yeah,
Yeah,
you,
what the hell?
you haven't been seen in front of the camera in a while. Are you, Antariksh?
I'm great, man. I have some big things to talk about.
Oh,
Big news.
always.
Big news.
You always come with the big piece.
Of course, man. Last time I came with a Wormy gadget that the comments went crazy
Which,
about.
by the way, I told a lot of people about, and they had no clue, and it changed their lives also.
Really?
Like somebody I know just moved to Russia, and they're like, "This has been a lifesaver."
Someone you know moved to Russia.
Yeah.
Nice.
For what? To meet Putin? What else is there?
What, is that the only reason people go to
I
it?
don't
What
know
about
what's
vodka, dude?
happening.
What about the vodka?
That's it?
Yeah.
What?
You're increasing the consumption of Indian products in Russia. That's amazing, dude. You're a
Yeah,
you're
yeah,
a patriot.
yeah,
You're a
yeah.
true patriot.
I didn't
What
realize
for?
it.
I've never seen someone
I
move
think
to
their
Russia.
father is a diplomat or something, so they keep traveling a lot.
Oh.
See, makes sense.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
never like, oh, there's a
Oh,
great
no,
startup
Vim.
opportunity.
no. It wasn't
in
like, you know what,
Russia.
I'm going to change my life. I'm going to find myself in Russia. It wasn't that situation. So this person moved to Russia. Warmies, they used Nafkar and Tanvi.
They moved
went
to Russia?
to, no, they
Rich
went to
friends,
New York.
his rich friends. It's been a
See,
while.
now
since
you're doing it. I'm calling
It's been
them
a
by
while
their
since
names.
you've talked about
Yeah.
You know, we
yeah.
should like beep the names and then ask people, what are the names, guys?
Fill in the blanks. No, but they went to New York, and during the blizzard, like the worst snow
There was a blizzard.
New
You
York
say
had
that
seen.
like we
Like
are
everyone
from New
knows
York.
this.
Yeah, I don't
I
know.
also didn't know. They told me because they were going, and then I googled and like, oh shit, it's really bad. Like it's the coldest it has been in ever in New York.
I
And
know,
they were-
I know. Everyone knows what happens in America, but
Yeah.
not this much. Last Saturday का blizzard याद है देखो.
I have another new like dilemma that I'm in with a company. Can I just get into it?
Yeah,
Yeah, sure.
What's
Product
happening?
only.
No, not product.
Okay.
Okay, product will come later. This is story time.
But this is part of the product is part of the story.
No.
Oh,
this is
separate.
not. It's
Okay.
separate. Okay. So as we talked about it on the previous time, the last time I was on, I had just come back from Amritsar and GP in Himachal. Okay?
Yeah.
So during that trip, I didn't tell you guys because last episode would have gone on for a little too long. I went through. I had the whole Indigo fiasco happen, by the way.
What fiasco?
When
When the
my
flights
flight
were
got
delayed and
cancelled.
cancelled. Yeah.
So I didn't tell you this whole story of what
No,
happened. Dude,
you
it's
only spoke about tandoori chicken.
yeah, that took a lot of the
Yeah.
episode. Yeah, Bila Tandoori Chicken. Check it out.
You didn't tell us the ordeal you went through,
Bro.
but you spoke about
Bro.
tandoor. That's how good the tandoori chicken
Exactly.
was.
Yeah, it was like priority. Like,
Yeah,
gotta-
yeah,
gotta
yeah.
prioritize.
Indigo said, wait, you're like थोड़ा और तंदूरी chicken खा के आ जाता हूँ मैं
जल्दी भागो,
जल्दी
भागो.
से. And then
So, first though, we were supposed to leave, the day we were supposed to leave, 3 days prior to that, we had gotten a message saying, "K, your flight has been preponed by 3 hours." I'm like, oh, thank God. At
Okay.
least it's happening.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're preparing for that 3 hours prior. Great. It was supposed to be at like 3 in the afternoon. Now it's like 12.
12.
At 12
Yeah.
noon, okay? On the day at 6 in the morning, okay, we get a message, just a message from Indigo saying your flight is cancelled after all.
This is okay.
So now we're like, fuck.
On the day,
On
like
the
in the
day
morning.
off. Yeah, on the morning off.
Yeah.
Okay. So like, oh, this is fucked, man. Now what the fuck?
Yeah.
Right? Now we have all these bookings, homestays and all booked, hotel
Yeah.
bookings all done. Like now we have to book a last minute flight because otherwise everything is
Correct.
wasted. The whole trip is wasted. And also Kirti was on her, my wife was on her mandatory leave. Like banks give mandatory leave. तो जाओ,
Oh.
छुट्टी पे जाओ.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Yes.
Oh, fuck, that's
They
great,
give
dude.
mandatory leave.
So, dude, banks are amazing. Okay.
That's
So,
lovely.
They want
And
their
they
employees-
funded also?
No, they don't. What? Are you
Paid
crazy?
leave,
It's
paid
like just
leave.
leave.
Oh,
Yeah,
just a
yeah.
leave because
Just a
they're like,
leave.
no, जाओ घूमने जाओ like कि
No,
लो
no, no.
पैसे जाओ घर निकलो यहाँ से.
So sorry, did you think they like जाओ कहाँ जा रहे हो US? चलो हमारे
मेरे
तरफ
पैसे
से.
जाओ.
What the fuck? I think
That would be awesome.
That is
That would
great.
be
If
awesome.
not banks, then who?
That's true. That's true, dude. Who
No,
else?
but are these paid leaves?
So these are like paid leave. It's part of her
Okay.
whatever package.
Okay.
And like I think it's like 10, 12 days. An employee at the end of the year has to take
Lovely.
a mandatory leave.
And this more
for
and
mental
more I
health
hear
or whatever.
about it. Job sound not bad.
Does your job have this? You have no.
You have a job.
I mean,
They
it's
don't have-
barely a job, dude. I really can't call it a job. The other day.
No, wait, let him
Oh yeah,
finish,
sorry,
let him
sorry.
finish.
So we get a call. Okay, Indigo, the flight is cancelled. So now fuck, we have to call up Indigo. Okay, we have firstly it takes another pet peeve. It takes you can no longer talk to a customer care executive easily, which
Okay.
is I hate, right?
Yeah.
They keep making you talk to that
Yeah.
AI voice,
Yeah.
and keep repeating.
But
and
you're
she-
calling the
Mr.
Indigo customer care to see if you can get another flight.
Firstly, that.
Yeah.
Okay, because we could see a flight,
Yeah,
a
yeah.
direct flight from Mumbai to Amritsar,
Yeah.
which was like I think 4 hours from.
Correct,
when we were
correct.
going.
But you're not
Fucking-
sure if it's gonna fly out
Yeah,
or not.
yeah,
Yeah.
I'm so fucking stupid. I thought you could see a flight. कि
Oh,
वो वहाँ
put me on
खड़ा
that.
है.
Put
वहाँ
me on
खड़ा
that.
है. वो उसमें चढ़ना है मेरे को.
बस स्टैंड पे है क्या वो?
I thought near the airport. I thought you guys
Oh, no, no,
reached
we didn't.
the
Near
airport
the
and all.
airport. On which road can you see the plane?
Hey, बोरा उसमें चढ़ते हैं, जल्दी जल्दी. Yeah, and then
So then we call up Indigo. Okay, we are telling him, okay, dude, we can see that 2 tickets are available on this flight. Please book us. Okay,
Yeah.
immediately. because
Only 2 were there.
Huh?
Only 2 tickets were there.
I think there must have been more.
Oh,
actually,
okay,
actually, I think there were only 2.
Oh,
Because
see?
while we are talking to him,
Yeah, now
he
the
takes
stakes are
so
higher.
fucking long. He's like, sir, let me put you
Yeah,
on hold.
yeah.
Let me talk to my manager and get back about
Yeah.
how we can help you out and all. He comes back after 2 minutes. After like 4-5 minutes actually on hold. He comes back and he's like, sir, okay, yeah, I'll book your tickets. He goes to book. Now only 1 ticket is left. Okay, so now like, fuck, now we can't even do this. Okay, so like, big thing.
you can leave. She has a mandatory leave.
Yeah,
Yeah,
for
no,
2-3
you
more
stay.
days.
She has a mandatory leave. Let her
I
go.
should have done that. तेरे को जाना पड़े- mandatory है भाई.
हाँ भाई तू तो निकल. It's illegal to stay home.
Yeah, if she comes back, the bank calls her like, क्या कर रही है तू वापस?
छुट्टी पे नहीं है तू.
Yeah, if they call her, it cannot be the automated voice cannot be in Marathi. It has to be in a different
Yeah,
language.
dude, that's true. That's true.
And then only 1 left now.
So 1 left. So now we couldn't take those tickets also. So now we're like fucking cursing at this guy.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we're
That
like, okay,
poor
fine.
guy, dude.
We
It's
see
not-
we see also a connecting flight
Yeah.
from Bombay to Delhi, from Delhi to then Amritsar. Just do that. We'll take like a few extra hours. Fine. At least we'll waste only 1 day of the bookings, and then we'll reach at the end of the day or whatever. So the guy's like, so then he's like, okay, sir, I'll just put you on hold for another 2 minutes. Another fucking 5 minutes later, he comes back. He's like, sir, turns out my manager is saying I can only book you on a flight 1 week later.
What?
I'm like,
Why?
what? How does that make any sense? They're like, this is our company policy. I was mistaken at first. If a flight gets cancelled, I think this was in the middle of the big
Yeah.
Indigo
Yeah.
fucking, chaos. If a flight gets cancelled, we can only book you on another flight after a week.
Why?
Makes no sense.
What
exactly.
kind of policy is this?
Exactly.
Hey guys, the policy is
Yeah.
if it's a law, if we cancel next year, चलो
Yeah.
अब आराम
Yeah.
से आओ अब.
Dude, so after all my bookings are already, I'm supposed to be back next week.
Yeah.
Manager gets over, dude.
Well, what a weird policy.
Yeah.
But honestly, I feel bad for this guy because भाई ये लोग की गांड लगी थी
हाँ,
भाई.
that's
ये
true.
all
Who's the
these
manager?
people.
Fucking get the manager, dude.
Actually,
Yeah.
मैनेजर की भी गलती नहीं है. अरे
Oh,
ये सबकी गांड
then
लगी
where
हुई
does it
थी.
end?
Yeah.
The
Dude,
top
the top,
people.
dude.
Kirti did that also. She like put the manager on the line.
Yeah,
Talk to him. The manager
yeah.
says the same thing. Sir, this is the company policy. I can't do anything.
Yeah.
So just say that only, dude.
Correct. But,
what are you going to do?
but are they willing to give you the refund at least
Yeah,
for the
they gave us
cancelled
the
flight?
refund.
Okay.
Refund came in 3 days. Chalo, at least that.
Okay.
But now, on the day of the flight,
You have to
we're
book
now-
another
now we're
flight.
wondering like how we fucking
Yeah.
do
Spice
this.
Jet.
What about other
Akasa.
So,
airlines?
Go Bibo Pay, we found Air India.
Yeah.
Okay, we
Ah,
booked
Air
2 Air
India.
India flights.
Yeah.
Again, a connecting flight because there's no direct flights available at last minute. So Bombay to Delhi again, Delhi to Amritsar, connecting flight. Okay.
Great.
We reach the airport. They hand us the boarding passes for the main flight, the first flight, and the second flight. They give the boarding passes together. Okay. And we find out that firstly, पहला flight तो Bombay to Delhi Air India है. Delhi to Amritsar, they've shifted without telling us Air India Express, which is the cheaper.
Oh, the chotu
alternative.
one. Yeah.
Okay,
Small
already
bus,
we're like,
yeah,
"चल, ठीक है, we
yeah,
just
yeah.
want to get to fucking Amritsar.
Yeah.
Okay, fine, ठीक है. Flights cancel हो रही हैं. December, Delhi, ठंड का ज़माना है.
Yeah.
You know,
समाना ही है
हाँ, ज़माना.
ठंड का
Full
ज़माना.
ज़माना है
The age of
मौसम नहीं है
age of cold.
ज़माना है
It's an era. It's a full era of cold.
So,
हाँ ठंड का ज़माने
हाँ,
में
तो we reach ठंड के ज़माने में we reach from Bombay we fly to
Delhi.
हाँ
We reached Delhi, fucking already cold and pollution,
Yeah.
fucking already.
Yeah.
And also, so now we land in Delhi at T3, in Terminal 3 in Delhi. T1, T2, T3. Our next
I
flight
know how
is,
counting works.
No, no, I'm
Antariksh.
saying like there are only 3 terminals, not like T4 or something.
Yeah.
So from T3, we have to go to T1 for our next flight. Connecting flights at T1. So now we have to find,
Yeah.
catch a
Oh,
bus
correct,
service.
correct,
Okay,
correct,
for in
correct.
the middle of the night. We land at 12 at night. Now at like fucking like whatever, like at 12:30 we reach T1. Bus पकड़ के आधा घंटा दूर है, ठीक है? So we reach T1. After reaching T1, we are trying to enter the airport. They tell us they won't allow us entry because turns out Air India Express flight cancelled.
Oh, Air
So
India
now
भी
we-
cancel हो रहे थे
So now we are stranded in Delhi
Yeah.
on a connecting flight. Okay, so we have no point of being in Delhi at all.
Yeah. Can
Okay?
I say something?
बोला.
Sorry to cut
No,
you.
no, no.
But just before like we started shooting, I was watching that Sachin Awasthi who got stuck detained in
Oh,
Korea.
in South
Yeah,
Korea
yeah.
So your thing sounds so irrelevant.
Fair. But wait,
but uska bhi he's at fault is what I saw
No,
there.
no, he's not at fault.
I didn't watch the
No,
video,
it's
so
just
I'm not
that
gonna be
He
that-
was
yeah.
actually stranded in like
No.
another country. He said stranded in Delhi. Like it's not. not
fair.
really
No,
that
no.
hard.
But it
His,
gets worse.
I just saw. I mean, I'm not sure. I haven't watched the videos. I'm
Yeah.
not really. But that island that he went to or something. If you go to the main South Korea, there you need visa. That island is visa free.
Yeah.
So a lot of people go to that island
And
in
वहाँ
South
से फिर
Korea.
South Korea चल जाते
वहाँ
हैं.
से South Korea, तो they're gonna detain
No,
you.
no,
I don't
I'm-
know if that's what happened to him at all. I
I'm
have
just
no
saying
clue.
whatever he went through. ठीक है,
I'm
उसको
just
जो
saying
गलती
whatever the
हुई,
comments
वो-
said.
Yeah,
I have not watched the video. Huh.
Yeah,
So you
sorry.
were stranded in
Yeah, you were
the
stranded in
capital of
Delhi.
this country.
Yeah. So now we are told that your flight is cancelled. We can't allow you entry into the airport. We're like, oh fuck, fine. So now how do we like? Can you just where do we get our luggage from? Because luggage is supposed to reach you at the final destination.
Yeah. Oh yeah, correct.
Connecting
It's still
flight.
inside the
Okay.
airport. Yeah.
So
That's
now-
true. Where
Yeah.
does the
Where does it
luggage
go?
Exactly. So now,
I didn't think of that. Yeah.
now our next 4 hours
Yeah.
have been spent
Trying to find the
just
luggage.
trying to get a hold of our own luggage. Okay, because we reached the Air India office at outside the T1 terminal. Okay, and it's big commotion. Everyone's fighting for the luggage
Yeah.
from various flights that have gotten cancelled because all these connecting flights, these fuckers have no idea where the luggage is. We asked them like, okay, just tell us where the luggage is. We'll go to our terminal. We don't care.
Yeah.
Like, sir, we don't know where the luggage is. They literally said, we don't know where the luggage is, sir. We're also trying to figure this out. So now people are fucking firing at them, like fucking angry. After an hour and a half, even I got pissed. I'm like, you should leave your job, quit your job.
Why are you shouting at
Yeah.
him?
Dude, because all these, dude, also Delhi, you know, these fuckers also have their own art. में ये लोग चौड़ में ये लोग बैठे हुए हैं.
तुम सब ऐसे ही रहते हो.
हाँ, these
Sorry,
North
yeah.
Indian
हाँ,
fuckers.
भाई.
That's sorry. Yeah.
So she's also like being extra like rude and
Yeah.
condescending while telling us.
I
that
think
she
they're
doesn't-
also fried
But
after
dude,
a point.
that's not our fault.
but it's
You
not
are
their
the flight.
fault also.
Yeah, honestly.
they are
नहीं,
the-
but
Again,
I-
and
it
luggage
goes to
being
the
lost
top
is on you.
Antariksh.
अरे
But
तो
luggage being
अभी-
lost is on you.
अभी
For
क्या
sure.
इंडिगो के सीईओ के
Yeah.
घर थोड़ी आ सकते
Yeah,
मेरा
bro, क्या
बैग
करूँ
का
मैं? Who do I say? Anything to?
या एयर इंडिया का सीईओ टाटा के वहां जा रहे हैं क्या
So now for then after like an hour and a half of waiting, okay, they tell us कि आपका लगेज तो T2 पे आना नहीं, आपका लगेज तो T3 पे आना है. We're like, sir, you already
You
said
landed
us-
at T3,
yeah,
right?
T1. Now we're at T1.
But you landed at T3.
Landed at T3. We came to T1.
That makes sense. वहीं आएगा ना अगर तो land हुआ है तो.
Fair. So they're like, आप T3 पे जाओ. They're like,
हाँ.
are you sure? But it's at T3.
हाँ,
Because
correct.
otherwise we can't go half an hour back and then again
Yeah.
find out it's not there. They're like,
They're
sir, actually
stranded
we're not
here.
sure.
Yeah, what else do you have
Yeah.
to do?
Yeah,
Go
do you
to-
understand we're stranded here
Yeah.
in this
Exactly.
in the
this
biggest
unknown,
city
yeah, in this unknown city.
Exactly. Dude, so again, middle of the night, okay? Like
वहाँ
now it's like
तंदूरी
1:32.
चिकन खा लेता भाई दिल्ली में
यार रात को वैसे 2 बजे क्या खाऊं मैं?
अच्छा रात के 2 बजे
2
था
बजे.
अच्छा ओके
So we're also fucking tired and we're traveling the whole
Yeah.
day. Okay. And so then we're like, okay, fine. If it's you're sure it's a T3, they're like, no, we're not sure. Listen, how do we make sure you're sure? Like, so wait for 20 minutes, we'll let you know.
It's a
I'm not-
33% chance, sir.
Yeah.
Out of the 3 airports,
कहीं तो होगा ही।
33% chance.
शायद बॉम्बे वापस चला गया।
You should have kept an AirTag or one of those
I was
things.
just gonna say, I always keep an AirTag in my
Yeah.
suitcase because I
So
want
you
to know.
track it?
Yeah,
I can
just
track
so
it. I
that
can
you
see
know.
how far it is. तक मैं
Exactly.
घूम फिर के आ जाऊँ तब तक जब
Hey,
आएगा.
don't make it my fault that this all happened to me.
If आगे से.
I mean,
Yeah, it would be smart actually to do that. But anyway, so they're like, we're not sure. We'll tell you in 20 minutes where exactly you can go. So after 20 minutes or whatever, half an hour or something, it's never exactly the time that they say. It's always
Yeah.
well beyond that. So after like 30-40 minutes, they're like, sir, actually, you should go to T2 to the Air India main office.
Honestly,
वहाँ
वही एयरपोर्ट वही टर्मिनल बचा हुआ था.
पे- Yeah, like हाँ पूरा दर्शन करना बाकी था.
T3 T1 तो देख लिया.
they found the middle ground. सर बीच वाले में जाके देखो.
Exactly.
ज़्यादा
सर वो वाला
chance.
बचा हुआ आप वहाँ भी
जाओ ना,
जाके देख
जाके
ले.
देखो तो.
अब तो और क्या
होता
ये
है?
करने को?
अब हम नोएडा का भी बना रहे हैं एयरपोर्ट वहाँ भी जाके एक बार देख
गाजियाबाद में भी है. वहाँ वाला भी देखा हो सर एक बार फटाफट.
Okay. So now we're like, fuck, now I go to fucking T2. Another 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Catch a bus to another fucking T2.
So originally you were supposed to be in Amritsar by now, right? Like
Dude, well
enjoying your
beyond by now.
vacation.
Yeah. We were supposed to be on a direct flight to
Yeah.
Amritsar, dude.
But
We
now
could
you're
have been
stranded
chilling.
in Delhi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stranded in Delhi. So now we go to fucking T2. Okay, again the main office is there. Again, bigger crowd than there was at the T1 Air India office also.
Okay.
People are fucking again losing their minds.
Yeah.
Old women are fucking crying and all.
How many bags did they lose? Like how many
Dude,
flights?
people they
Whole
just did not
flights,
have.
nah, that's
flights
like
got
a
cancelled.
full
They have no
flight.
idea where the luggage is.
दिल्ली to अमृतसर का एक फ्लाइट
बहुत सारे लोग
That's
थे.
a lot of people.
So now what they're trying, what I understand now is now they're trying to separate people, because one. So now me and
Divide and
rule.
conquer.
Divide and conquer,
Yeah.
dude. Yeah, fucking smart, right? So me and Kirti are like fucking pissed. We walk out of the head office.
They try to divide you too.
सर आप डिवोर्स कर लो.
Actually, आपको क्यों ट्रैवल कर रहा है साथ में? मैंडेटरी तो उनका है, आपके
सर
साथ.
हाँ उनका कोई मैंडेटरी नहीं होता. अब घर पे होते हैं अभी है ना. गलती किसकी है बताओ?
And then they divided you guys.
No, divided. No. So basically, we walked out, and there was like already a small crowd that had formed outside who were talking to this one Air India personnel.
Oh, that
Okay.
guy must be so
Dude,
scared.
it was a woman actually. It was a woman.
Oh, the
Yeah,
woman
oh,
must be
of course.
so scared.
She was actually again chawed me, dude. Delhi people are not scared.
Yeah.
Okay. So she's like, actually, sir, ma'am, आप लोग पता क्या करो? One of you stay here
Yeah.
in case luggage comes here. Okay. For the off chance it shows up. But one of you then come with me. I'll take you to this back entry of the airport. We'll see if the luggage can be taken
Found
off from
there,
there. We're
yeah.
like, okay, fucking some hope. Okay. So Kirti goes with her. And they go. So like now, like a group of like 10 people goes with her. Kirti is among them. So they go. Apparently, she took them to the back entry, but she didn't take them inside the airport. At the outside the airport, because you can't enter
Yeah.
an airport without an actual working
Yeah,
ticket.
correct.
Okay. So outside the airport, they have to now like look inside कि कुछ है क्या वहाँ पे? Sir, Air India, are you from Air India? Please come. Can you help us? Okay, that's what they have to do.
Like ऐसे बाहर खिड़की.
Help
Like,
us in what?
the door is open. Whenever someone walk out, the door is open, and they're like, sir.
Wait, what? And then
Small window.
they show this guy a picture of their luggage कि ये
No,
आपको
nothing.
दिख
Just
रहा
you
है.
give them baggage tags, and they try to fucking.
अच्छा वैसा
So
हाँ.
over here, करके, okay, now 2 hours, Kirti and I are separated also. And this woman is now somehow at least getting luggages back.
Yeah.
Because some of these people start leaving. Okay, Kirti made like another couple as a friend and all. They were like, we're also going to Amritsar. We can do a cab together. I'm like, oh, chalo, theek hai, great, sorted. We'll have some company also. Okay, so now बाकी सबके
Great,
luggage आ
you
गए.
guys made friends?
हाँ, बाकी सबके luggage आ गए. Now the last people left is Kirti
Yeah.
and my luggage. Kirti and one Slovakian Russian dude. Okay, someone either from some like I could tell from his accent. I couldn't tell exactly. I didn't ask him the country. This guy also everyone's pissed. Okay, this guy's not pissed. Now these 2 people are left. Luggage आई ही ना. किसी को idea नहीं. हम पूछ रहे हैं लोगों को. Okay, at this point, Kirti starts crying. She calls me up. Like I'm on the other part of the airport, and I go, okay, chill. I'll come there. Okay, so I go to where Kirti is. And Kirti is like, dude, I'm fried. I'm going up and just sitting for some time. I cannot do this. Okay.
Fair.
I'm like, okay, fair enough. So now I'm sitting there for another hour.
Oh my
okay?
God.
I can see these. Okay, I'm asking everyone for help. I'm so fried. Anyone who's walking into the airport that looks like someone who works at the airport, like Indigo ka ho,
Yeah.
चाहे Air India का हो, चाहे Jet Airways का हो, कोई भी हो.
Yeah.
I'm just like, sir, you have to help
Jet
me.
Airways वाला वहाँ क्या कर रहा है? बंद हो गया एयरलाइन.
जो भी यार, कोई भी हो.
आज है कुछ काम please.
Yeah, at this-
Qatar Airways
yeah.
shows up.
At this point, he's looking for any kind of
Anything.
help from anyone.
Dude, anything. Dude, someone just help me.
Yeah.
So everyone who goes inside, like, oh, sir, which flight were you on? I was like, Air India. Like, oh, okay, I'll just go inside, I'll get someone from Air India. This fuck goes inside, nobody comes back.
You
out.
see a Starbucks ka server going inside
Dude,
for his
I
job.
tried
Hey,
that
can you
also.
please
I
find my
tried
luggage?
people who just were cleaners at the airport. I'm like, dude, can you just help me out?
And in
Okay.
the end,
Then, okay.
Doesn't even matter,
Then,
dude.
so I'm just fried sitting there. I see dur at the end of the fucking airport, there are these belts, the luggage belts going around.
Yeah.
And dude, I see, luckily we have a very bright color blue luggage
The
that
AQI in the airport is good, dude. दूर-दूर तक दिख रहा है.
Yeah, dude. Crazy. So like, I'm like, I think that could be mine.
It's just rotating
It's
on an empty
dude,
luggage belt.
Yeah, and why is it a T2?
Oh,
T3
true,
पे
yeah.
लैंड किया T1 पे ये हम पिकअप था T2 पे क्या कर रहा है anyway so I'm like I'm confused is it actually मेरे को बहुत दूर है I can't really tell okay so like there's a blue luggage and behind it now I see there's a black luggage so could be mine these two could be possibly ours okay so now I'm like so now you know at the entrance of the airport there are these security guys right
Yeah.
CRPF I think they call
हाँ,
it
security.
security
Yeah, I
so I'm
think
like,
it's CRPF.
so, so now these have seen that for the last 3 years I'm sitting outside. Everyone's pissed. Okay, so I'm like, sir. I'm like, I'm get so excited. I'm like, sir, वो मेरा luggage है, please, sir, किसी को बोलो ना. So this says, तो मैं क्या करूँ? अपनी job छोड़ के तेरा luggage लेके आऊँ वहाँ पे. I'm like, this dude, just have some humanity. It'll take you less than a minute to go at the end and come back. What the fuck?
You can't go there, no.
they
No,
won't
you
allow
can't
me
enter
inside.
the airport without.
Oh,
a
yeah, you're
budget
outside.
flight,
So now
yeah.
I fucking for the next 10 minutes I can just see my
The luggage rotate.
like seemingly or I assume is to
Yeah.
be my luggage. Okay.
Yeah.
Luckily, one more person comes out from Indigo. Again, Air India का कोई दिखा नहीं till end तक. Okay, because they were like, we have no answers to give. Okay, Indigo वाला आया. I'm like, sir, please, just help me out. I think that thing there is my luggage. Just please, I've been waiting for 5 hours. Can you just get me that? This fucker, instead of going there and getting it himself, he walkie-talkies at some other end of the airport.
Okay.
Okay, says, कि देख ना वो belt number 1 पे किसका luggage है वहाँ पे. Okay, so I'm like, okay, चल ठीक है, at least something is happening. Something is
isn't that
happening.
quicker?
Okay, something is happening.
Yeah.
Yeah, fair.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Now, while this guy is still talking to the other guy, like, okay, that guy hasn't gone and checked. He's like, हाँ कौन सी belt में? 1 number 1. I'm like, whatever. अच्छा ये number वाला. अच्छा ठीक है, मैं अभी चल के जा रहा हूँ. इतने में some other peon comes, okay, to that belt, sees that this luggage nobody's claimed has been roaming around this fucking belt for God knows how long, takes out all the remaining luggage. There are 3 pieces of luggage. 2 of them mine, 1 some other random luggage.
Slovakia.
Takes them out and starts to take them to the other side of the airport. Must be to lost and found.
Ah.
I'm like, dude, no! I can see it!
Usually what they do is they keep it out and like conveyor belt के बाजू में ही रख देते हैं so that if you
Oh.
haven't come you
Yeah.
can take it
Yeah,
later.
that would be nice. But
ये
this fucker's
दूर
taking them
क्यों
away.
लेके गया पता
So
नहीं.
I'm like shouting into the airport, which of course I look like some kind of a terrorist or
That's
something.
what I was gonna ask.
Because-
How are you still not in jail?
Dude, that's the thing. Everyone around us and multiple
Everyone
people,
was
right?
like this
Everyone
only.
is fucking pissed, and Indigo fiasco was going on. So they must have been seeing this all day,
Yeah.
every day, dude. You know, during that time. So now I'm like, dude, no. Okay, so I'm shouting at this guy, dude. Why can't you just call that guy? So then this guy finally has to like fucking shout a little bit, wave his hand. That guy sees, then comes, and then we get our luggage. Then I call up Kirti. She's fucking excited and happy. That other couple that we made a pact with to
Yeah.
go to Amritsar, they've left because they got their luggage 2.5 hours.
They
back,
were
dude.
just like, fuck
They're
off,
fuck
dude.
I gotta wait
Fuck this
for you.
pact.
Okay, so now we finally, after 5 hours of ordeal, we've gotten our luggage.
Yeah.
This Russian Slovakian dude is still not getting his luggage. Now he's the last dude left. Seeing that he's the last dude
Poor
left, this guy
guy.
fucking panics. Because now he's like, dude, now who will help me? At least these, I don't know the language.
Yeah,
I don't know
there's-
Hindi and all.
yeah,
Okay?
yeah. There's no
At least
support
this
system
guy, like, he
anymore.
was talking to me and all. At least this guy was friendly. He could like
Correct.
talk for me. I was talking like,
Yeah.
Riska bhi help
Now
me.
he's gonna
been waiting for
leave. He's
7
gonna
hours.
fuck right off.
Is that he had been waiting for 2.5 hours before
True.
us. He had coming from another flight, and apparently he was going to Pakistan, which is another. I didn't know that was the thing, dude. Like from
No,
India, he's
people
like,
go.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
A lot of I've seen a lot of vlogs where
Oh, really?
yeah.
Why
They
do
go to
people?
Pakistan.
Yeah. So maybe that's what they were fucking with them. They knew.
That could
I
be.
don't know.
Yeah,
Kaya,
they
like,
probably-
Sale.
yeah, they probably
Can't
saw his
But
travel
then
plans.
what happened to that guy?
So, dude, I don't know.
Oh, you just left him.
Dude, so he was like, dude, so he started firing at them like, I'm hungry, I haven't eaten in whatever,
He
6-7
can
hours.
उसे खाना था क्या उसके
मतलब उसके
लगेज में?
पैसे वैसे नहीं होंगे या
Ah, you know,
backpackers,
backpackers.
you know.
Okay, by the way,
So I gave him like I bought food from while leaving. We bought food and gave him.
Dude, what
something.
if he was just like a Russian homeless guy in India and this was his scam? That's how he gets
What a
food.
great scam, dude.
this outside
Great
airports.
scam.
I'm hungry. Oh, you're white. You're white. Here.
And clearly he had come from like doing like some extreme sports because down his leg was like a big gash cut.
Oh,
That one of those you get from like rocks when you're like, you know, from those
Probably
yeah,
like
yeah,
hiking trail
yeah,
or
hiking
something
one
like
of
that.
those,
Yeah.
So I think
Oh,
by
shit.
the way, last
Yeah.
episode
Anyway.
when you had talked about your Amritsar trip,
Yeah.
why the fuck did you tell us about the tandoori chicken, dude?
this
This
was
is
very
this
good
much.
tandoori chicken.
Yeah,
all
like
of
you
this-
did not
Dude.
seem like you had a bad time at all.
At all.
Yeah, you had a
I mean,
great trip.
You gotta compartmentalize. You know, like yes, I did come back from a good trip in general, but in the beginning it was like a big ordeal.
What the
So
fuck?
how do you end up in?
Dude.
How did you go to Amritsar eventually?
Dude, we then got a cab.
Got a cab,
8
yeah.
fucking hours.
Yeah.
Dude, fucking insane. And
Yeah.
dude, bilkul kohra, like fog and smog to another level where you literally, I cannot see you clearly.
Yeah.
There's how much fog on those roads. But dude, chal,
I know,
all of this, the
yeah.
ordeal ended. But for the last 2 months, we were trying to get a refund.
Oh, it's from
Air
Indigo?
India. This fucker from Air India.
Oh, the connecting
Okay.
flight, yeah.
Air India keeps saying ये Go IBB वाला देगा because Go IBB से खरीदा हमने.
Yeah.
Go IBB वाला saying कि ये तो
Air
Air India के
India
पास है हमने तो
देगा.
already clear करके रखा है.
tweet.
Exactly. Now the last
No,
thing,
अरे
the only
क्या
thing left.
exactly? Tweet. I'm
Abhijit
telling
That's
you.
the
Ganguly
only
does
thing
that,
left, dude,
dude.
because-
Abhijit Ganguly तो काउंटर पे खड़े होके इंडिगो को टैग करता है, ट्वीट करता है.
Dude,
Yeah,
that's
dude.
the only thing that works.
What the fuck, dude? It's not cheap. Like 22K for a fucking ticket I didn't even want
That-
in the first place.
that's true.
I already wasted my money. I got
Yeah.
tickets like almost like
22,000?
Yeah, dude. Because last minute, what are you gonna do?
Yeah.
Fucking
Yeah.
ridiculous,
Oh,
dude.
I think this is reason enough to just stay in Bombay.
That's a
Fuck
great,
that.
yeah.
Fuck mandatory leave.
Just stay here enough, dude.
I think in the same month, I also had, like, I didn't have an ordeal, like, when I missed, so when we went to Bangalore, he went,
That's your fault. What the fuck are you
Wait, what
talking?
happened?
He missed his flight because he slept.
Wait, you both are on the same flight and you missed it?
No, I went थोड़े दिन पहले.
he went
okay.
over दिन पहले.
Okay.
I was gonna go at 6. My flight was at 6 in the morning.
Okay.
So usually when I have an early morning flight, I don't sleep at night, right? Because I know I'll miss or something will happen and I won't wake up. So I just go to the airport and then I fly. But this time I had we had a Spender Bender show on the day I was reaching. So I was like,
It's
I can't be
24th.
too tired. 24th,
24th,
yeah. Abhishek wala episode.
This is why you always
So
go one day
I-
prior, dude.
I was like, I should get enough sleep before I reach Bangalore because I should be energized for the show. I can't be like groggy and do a show.
I don't know who the fuck he thought he was coming on the day
Yeah.
in Bangalore.
Yeah,
So I put my phone on charge. I go to sleep, and I have forgotten to turn the charger on.
Oh,
So my
no!
phone turned off.
Of all days,
Or
man. Of
right,
all days.
I missed my flight. I mean, I woke up at 5:45 for a 6:30 flight.
No chance.
When I woke up, like as soon as I turned my phone on, I got like boarding has started message.
Hey, where are you? Boarding it. Oh, okay.
For
You
a-
panicked, right?
I
I'm sure you
panicked a little bit. And then I tried calling him to be like, what should I do? But he didn't answer, of course. It's 5
Yeah,
in the
because
morning.
I'm in Bangalore.
Yeah, he's in Bangalore. They're sleeping.
You'd be
Fair.
pissed. You would have been
For
pissed.
a for good 5 minutes, I considered, like, you know what? He'll do the show. It's fine.
He'll do it himself.
It's
no,
fine. It's fine. You can do one show without me.
I woke up in the morning and I was like, chalo, coffee mangate. I took my phone out and I was like, what? You missed it on the day of the show. I was like, what do you mean
How do
you
you-
missed your
there's no buffer
fucking
over-
flight?
Yeah, dude.
Arey, this chutia thought he can come on the day. Bangalore, first of all, airport is 2
Yeah,
hours
it's too
away
far.
from the
Too
city.
far.
Dude,
Too
that
far.
and also flights get delayed all the time.
I
I
don't
don't know
know
who he thought he was
Can't
just
rely on
coming.
that, dude.
It's
So
the
that's why I took an
stupidest way
early
to
morning
travel.
flight because even if it gets delayed, I
One
should
day
still be
prior,
there.
always.
Anyway. So now I'm like, okay, no, I have to go because he's not answering. I can't take this decision without consulting him. कि मैं नहीं आ रहा
You
हूँ.
can't take that decision to not come.
Can't not be there.
What if I just like, hi guys? Hey, so Nirmal and Abhishek also
Yeah.
couldn't come. How are you guys?
Yeah.
It's my solo today.
Now I'm on my way to the airport. I buy a ticket on the way. Luckily, I found a ticket for like 8 a.m. flight from SpiceJet. So, but when I'm taking that flight is when I get a message from Air India again being like, hey, rate our flight, rate your experience. While I'm boarding
How was
this
it?
new flight.
Horrible experience.
Well,
Flight left without me.
But it wasn't an ordeal. I was just like slept.
That's huge.
I
Yeah,
had a-
completely on you.
Yeah.
Bro.
You just
So how much
slept.
did the flight cost then in the end, last minute?
last for 14K.
That's okay.
Yeah.
How much would have cost otherwise? Around that.
9K I'd spent
Oh,
from the
that's-
original
that's a
flight.
quite a difference.
Yeah. Yeah.
14K.
14K.
Oh, nice. That's the perfect way to get into my product.
Oh wow! Oh, Clark.
14K?
We did not plan this, by the way. This
Yeah, we
segue.
did. Yeah, so guess what's for 14K?
Oh, earphones.
Oh, you spent
headphones,
something? You spent
watch.
14K on something?
Yeah, and I'm very excited.
Oh.
Something that fits in your pocket, okay?
Yeah.
what is
Just
it?
guess,
Headphones.
guess,
Headphones?
guess, guess,
Headphones.
guess.
Is it like some health thing?
Guess. I'm not gonna say anything.
I'm gonna say a smart ring.
What are you gonna
I was
say?
thinking like a Whoop band or like an Amazfit band or something like
It's
that.
a smart ring only.
Hey, what are you saying? I did not. Dude, I had no idea. How do
I
we
got
tell
it.
people I had no idea what it was?
You did.
What the fuck?
I
You
got
got
a
a smart ring?
Yeah,
That
yeah,
is-
yeah.
dude,
It's
I'm-
amazing. I love
I've-
this shit.
Bro, I have
I've
goosebumps
been
right
very
now, dude.
curious about
Why
this
you have
thing.
goosebumps?
I'm like
That's
so
fine.
impressed by myself right now, dude.
But both of us were right about some health related
Yeah,
stuff.
dude,
Yeah.
It's insane.
See, it's a nice smart ring. I have to get a new size. I call them
Sure.
today to
That's
get
cool.
a new
That's a
size.
cool
Wait,
Right.
which brand is company?
No, this is not. So there's the biggest one. The Apple of ring companies is, matlab, the
Oh,
biggest
yeah.
is Ultra Human.
Yeah, correct, I've heard
But
that.
I didn't get
वो
Ultra
patch भी
Human.
लगाते हैं.
नहीं रिंग भी होता है. Oh, patch भी होता है क्या?
स्टार्टिंग में वही था उनका पहले यहाँ पे कुछ करते
Oh,
थे
I
टू
didn't know
मॉनिटर एवरीथिंग क्योंकि मैंने तन में भटके देखा था
Oh,
वो
I didn't know
Oh,
that.
nice, dude.
But they have a ring. But this is an Indian company only called Gabbett.
हैबिट
Yeah,
Oh.
it's made by some the ex CEO of Zomato.
Okay,
का
sure.
नया company.
Oh, wow.
That's
पहले
what I
मोटा
saw.
किया लोगों को
हाँ,
healthy
फिर अब
बना
पतला
रहा
करने
है।
वाला।
दीपिंदर गोयल भी तो वही कर रहा है ना कुछ तो टेम्पल
हाँ,
करके उसका ये है so but
Okay.
this is for 14K
Tell
ultra
me-
human is for 28K so
Okay.
I was like I'm not
But it
spending
does the
fucking-
same thing, like features
I
wise
mean I'm
it's the
sure
same.
ultra human थोड़ा better होगा
So
but
क्या क्या मेजर करता
हाँ.
है ये?
And which finger I suppose is there a particular
so
finger?
that's what I fucked up
Ah.
with. I put it in my index finger and
Now you look like you're married.
So, yeah, index sorry, ring finger.
finger you put it on.
Yeah, now it looks like I'm married. So
Married to
But I was just thinking that imagine getting proposed by this thing.
hey,
maybe you
would
should
you
get
like
this
to know
smart,
your
get
heart
this
rate? No, but now I asked them to change it so that I can put it in my index finger because this is
Oh, they're
fucking
different
weird.
sizes. They're
Yeah,
different
different
sizes.
sizes.
Yeah,
So they
okay.
come when you order, they come with a size kit,
Oh wow.
like a full kit, so that if ऐसे वो dummy वाले वो they have multiple sizes
Yeah.
of rings and you can wear them and see which one fits you best and if whatever. अब ये 9 I guess. 9, 10, 11 वो सब भी है.
So wait, they send you this kit, the test
No,
kit first?
the
No,
guy
guy comes,
comes-
dude.
the guy
Like a
comes.
jeweler. Yeah, like a jeweler.
with a kit and you wear the kit, whatever. Samajh 11 is what's fitting me properly.
Yeah.
You're like 11 चाहिए. And then he has a full bag with all the sizes.
Yeah.
And then he's like 11 ढूंढ के he'll give you
Wow,
11
dude.
size.
That's
pretty
pretty
cool,
cool.
actually.
It's very
actually.
cool.
For 14K, not
Yeah.
bad. Like
It's
this
very
custom
cool.
experience you're
Yeah,
getting.
yeah, yeah.
So
There-
what all does it measure? And
it measures obviously steps. It
Yeah.
measures.
Does it measure the circumference of your ring finger?
what?
What? I almost said dick.
Oh no, but you found
I'll
out.
tell
the
you. I'll
measurement.
tell you. I'll tell you what. all it-
Oh, of course, there's an app. How's the app?
The app is good. The app
Okay.
is good.
Nice, you're gonna be your hipster dude with those black rings on your index finger and all.
Yeah,
nice,
yeah,
dude.
I
Wait,
was
that's why
thinking, like, what-
ring
Yeah, yeah.
finger में अजीब लग रहा है
Yeah,
तो
for
now
sure,
I'm gonna
for
get
sure.
the index finger one.
Okay.
Yeah. It tracks the steps and stress. How if you're stressed or no. So there's calm 45%, moderate 50%. I wasn't calm. Wow, कुछ भी साले कब? अच्छा मैं सो रहा था. I think that's when I was
I wasn't calm.
Yeah, you bet. I
You're
hope
nightmare,
you're
actually.
calm when you're
Yeah.
sleeping.
And you can log in your food and then it'll help you calculate it.
I find
Okay.
Heart rate. No,
this
no,
is
wait.
Heart rate,
almost
of
a
course.
better product than like a smartwatch, I would say.
Yeah, I think. I mean,
Because
I
it's less intrusive, of
Yeah,
course.
for
It's
sure.
much
Yeah.
lighter.
Yeah.
क्या बोलते
But
हैं?
why this over like a band, like a
Because
Whoop
this-
band or?
No, band
Amazfit.
Whoop is too expensive. It's as much as an ultra human. This is 14K,
Also-
that's 28K. or
Yeah.
something.
Also, then you're like, firstly, if you get a smartwatch, then you have to wear a smartwatch. You can't wear a regular
Yeah,
watch.
this
one
I
gives
can.
you
Okay, that's why.
flexibility.
I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. Because heart rate to हाँ, skin temperature also it measures.
Skin
Oh.
temperature.
If you're gonna get a fever, you'll know if your temperature is more.
Oh, that's cool.
है
Oh,
ना?
ऐसा भी होता है क्या?
Yeah. See, right now it's
Fucking
90.
my watch should be able to do that.
Wait, everything should tell you skin temperature only.
I guess.
Yeah, why doesn't my watch tell me that?
And
I'm
also,
sure it does.
I'm sure it does.
No,
but
it
also
doesn't.
sleep score. This is the
Oh,
sleep
That's
score.
also
right,
needed.
yeah.
That's basic.
But no, but it's really different when you're wearing a ring
Watch
and
and
sleeping.
yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Dude, yeah. Firstly,
Because
sleeping with a watch,
Watch,
also
it's
is
a pain.
dude.
I did it the first few days when I got this watch because I like, oh, I need to know what my sleep score is like.
But it's damn
And then the
uncomfortable.
fifth day, I like, I really don't care about my sleep score like
You
that.
can't,
Yeah,
but with the ring, it doesn't matter. You're
Yeah,
just wearing
yeah,
it. You
yeah.
don't think about it.
That's
वो समझ ही
true.
नहीं आता
That's
after a
true.
while.
Correct.
Wait, I slept for 6 hours 36 minutes. It's exactly dude. Like you wake up and it's so much. It's weird.
It's a
but
lot of information.
Like, what were reviews like? Did you do a lot of research before buying this? This
I did
particular
a
ring?
little research. It looked like a decent enough.
Were there other
thing.
options, like in a sense? Were there other options that you were considering?
Boat has one which
Yeah.
I'm not gonna
I just
fucking
hate that
buy.
brand,
Yeah.
It's
dude.
bullshit.
I hate that
fucking
brand. Bums me out.
bullshit. But their app is pretty good.
Yeah, I can
This
see
is
that.
The app looks
actually-
cool.
Yeah, dude.
But ever since I've also started like seeing all the data on my phone because
Yeah.
of this watch, and like this just too much information. We don't need this much
Yeah,
information.
No, you do somewhat. Like not all of it.
Yeah,
for sure.
there's a lot of information. Like,
I want to know how well I'm sleeping. I don't know
Why?
if I'm sleep. Huh? So that dude, it matters. What do you mean? Why?
Like sleep
It-
directly affects your mood.
yeah,
your
but
stress
so
levels.
how are you gonna
weight,
change? What are you gonna
mental,
do?
Huh?
Sleep earlier.
Sleep earlier, better, like, try not
Yeah,
to take
But
melatonin.
you
So
should,
in the
but
sense-
that you should do without knowing
Correct. But
Data.
sometimes, like there are like small things that you can change.
Yeah.
Because you like in a sense, like just putting on your phone
Yeah.
a blue light filter before sleeping.
Yeah.
Affects the stain levels in your eyes, so it helps you sleep better. Then stuff like you sleep better if you read before bed because your eyes move, right? Your eyes get more tired. So you
I
sleep
play
better when you
F1
sleep
on my
easier.
PS5
You
before
sleep,
sleeping.
like
My
these
eyes are
small,
very
small-
tired.
I play Marvel Rivals.
I play F1 and I'm like, my eyes
That's
are
the
so
worst
tired.
thing. That's the worst
But
thing.
my reflexes, bro. When I go to sleep, my
I know.
reflexes are on fire.
The thing is, it also, I know sleeping late is bad.
Yeah.
But then when today, wait, I'll try to see it. Today when I saw, इसमें लिखा हुआ
The
था
sleep
कि
score is 82.
wait 1 second ना.
Yeah, sorry.
It said I slept at 3:31.
Yeah.
And it says poor उसके बाजू में. I'm like, oh, that
My
that
watch
hurts,
also does
dude.
that.
Yeah,
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 Like,
yeah.
that hurts.
Yeah,
I know
that's
it's
hurt.
bad, but when someone's like,
Yeah.
that's
Suck
fuck all,
all.
I'm like, oh, sorry, man.
Now there's an
Fuck.
opinion attached to my
Yeah.
sleep. Yeah.
Now I'm
That's
like-
really
That
painful.
hurts, yes.
Now
Sometimes,
I-
dude, when I started getting my sleep score, someday it would be like 84, like good. And I'm like, oh shit, I did
Yeah.
something
Yeah.
productive.
Yeah.
And then some days like 41.
Yeah.
It hurts.
So what I was gonna do is I wanted this on my index finger.
Yeah.
So and also this was getting tight anyway.
Yeah.
Like, finger mein. So I was like, I need a different size. So I told them the customer service today. By the way, Gabbit, if you're watching, your WhatsApp customer service is fuck all.
Oh,
It's
I was gonna say sponsor us, but I guess
it's fucking
They gave a different
shit.
Sponsor us, we'll just not talk on WhatsApp.
It's shit, dude.
Really?
It's dude. Let me just open that up. It's fucking bullshit, dude. मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया आज. I told them कि hey, I want to chat with an agent. Our
Yeah.
team will get back. Okay. I said they said our team will get back to you shortly. I said okay. Then after 3 minutes, I was like, okay, but when? Dude, like, when are you getting back? Like, you didn't say when. And then they said, have you used our parrot? I was like, yeah, but I want to replace it. They're like, okay, can you send us a video? I sent them a video. And I said, here you go. 20 minutes later, I'm like, are you there? They're not replying. They didn't reply. Then they said, we will go ahead and get it replaced. Kindly confirm which size you want. I was like, I don't know which size I want. Like, get the size.
Yeah,
and
send the
get-
guy again,
Yeah,
dude.
send the guy again. I'll fit. I mean, I'll tell you whatever fits. This is at 12:01 p.m. today. Okay.
Oh, okay, अभी.
वही दोपहर को एंड उसके बाद 2 मिनट बाद आई वाज लाइक I can give you the address if you're sending someone today. I can give you the address, which was here. I was like, I wanted
That
to do
would be
this
cool.
mid podcast.
That would be damn cool. Damn, dude.
I wanted to
That
do
would've been
this
awesome.
mid podcast. I was like, I
Yeah,
hope
yeah,
I
man.
can time it.
Yeah.
While you're saying hello, welcome to Spender Vendor.
Yeah. Dude, I have a couple of Amazon deliveries coming
yeah,
today,
yeah.
and I was hoping they come in the middle of the episode.
No, so wait. I said, okay, I can give you the address if you're, since I'm not going to be home at that point. If you are going to send someone right now, I'll tell you where to go. 10 minutes later, I was like, can you please reply to this conversation? No one. 5 minutes
Oh,
later,
now
I'm
you-
like,
now you
hello.
seem desperate.
Yeah. 5 minutes later, I'm like, hello. And then 10 minutes later, after that, I'm like, can you please respond? They're just not replying,
They're
dude.
behaving like a hot chick for some
Yeah.
reason.
Yeah. It's like matching with someone and they just
Hey,
don't
hey,
reply.
hello.
And then I called them
Yeah.
and I was like, yo, dude, can you guys just give
So
me...
is this like an automated person talking to you, or is it
No,
like a
no,
real
it's,
agent?
I said chat with an agent.
Yeah.
Now that agent's just ghosting me. The agent
He has
just
other
doesn't
things to
care.
do, dude.
Yeah. And then I called that guy, some other
Yeah.
guy probably, and he was like, have you... I told
Raised
him
the concern on WhatsApp?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I told him I have not
Audacity.
replaced this. He was like, but you'll have to raise it over WhatsApp. Like, you guys are ghosting me
Yeah.
on WhatsApp, dude, please. And he
You
checked.
said this?
he
You
was-
said this on call?
Yeah,
You're
I
ghosting
said
me?
I did. You guys
Yeah.
didn't reply.
Okay.
And then he checked. He was like, Govind, right? And he's like, oh, okay, yeah, I'll get. He saw all the messages where I'm
Okay,
like,
I'll just get back to you shortly. I was like,
Or another thing happened, which is like he googled Govind and like, oh, this guy's under.
"Eh." no, but
possible,
dude,
that's
dude.
possible.
But honestly,
But this
the
is a-
ring
yeah.
is good.
Yeah,
The
it
does seem
customer
good.
service is
But yeah,
shit.
that's what you get for 14K. Like the product is great, but then the back end is terrible.
Yeah.
oh, is it waterproof? Can you like bathe with it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Water
can go
resistant or
swimming.
proof?
Oh, that is
You can go
cool.
swimming with this.
That's cool.
Okay.
Oh, so
Yeah.
it'll like, even the
Exactly.
steps you take
It's
underwater.
just
will
like
be
these
counted
rings,
over.
like they just have a very fuckboy look. You know what I mean?
does.
Like without
I mean,
knowing that it's a health
it's
ring,
a hipster look.
it's a hipster
It's a
look.
hipster look.
Yeah.
It is
so
what it is.
I just want to track
Maybe
my.
you should get one in gold. So you look
They
like
have an
a
option
rich
for gold.
Gujarati.
gold.
Yeah, that's why I got matte black, na. So
Yeah.
that it.
I don't know. Matte black just makes it look like.
It
You
does.
should have
You're right.
studs also now.
Yeah, goth. Very
You'll have
goth.
chain hanging by your
Do you think,
jeans.
but so it does look quite nice, I must say.
Yeah, it's
but
a
do you
nice
think it starts
style.
chipping off? How good do you think the quality is going to be?
I don't know.
We'll know.
We'll see.
In a
We'll
month
find
we'll follow
out.
up on
We'll
this.
see. Gabbett,
Yeah.
I'm looking at you, dude. I'll tell
Alright.
you what it's like. But it, what do you call it? It doesn't scratch or something. It's
Yeah.
what, titanium
Dude,
built or
my-
something.
Ah,
So it doesn't
so
scratch
nice and hard, yeah.
easily. And they have like a, what do you call it? A case.
There's a case for the ring.
Charging
Yeah.
case. Yeah.
What are you talking about?
Oh, no, charging case?
अरे वैसे नहीं, like a cover, like a phone cover.
For the
like
ring?
phone case जैसा
Like a
रहता है.
silicone ring?
I don't know. I just saw it online. So you can cover
That's
this.
very funny.
With yeah.
That's so funny.
mean like
Is there a
when-
screen protector also?
When you're
you
not
laminate
wearing
it?
it, you put it on? Or
No,
it's
no,
there
I
throughout
know.
and you wear
Yeah.
it with the cover on?
I
Yeah,
guess,
like
dude.
you know how you put cover on a phone. It's just like
Ah,
that. You just
exactly
put it
like
like a
that.
tire cover. Imagine like a tire cover.
Wow, dude.
But I really wanted to check,
Yeah.
even when I'm working out and all,
Yeah.
it really helps, dude. I went for a run yesterday. I ran too much because I was like, let me track, let me keep tracking, let me keep tracking. And then I got too tired. But it's fun,
And
dude.
it's connected to your Strava.
I have to. I want to figure out a way to connect it to my
Oh,
Strava. I'm
yeah,
pretty
that'd
sure
be
I can. I
Yeah,
want
they
to-
must be doing that integration.
So that the two people who are on my Strava know. The two people are Yash and Vivian, who I do the F1 podcast with. Yash and Vivian. They're the only two
Only
people.
two healthy people,
Yeah.
you know.
And they're doing more than me. I keep opening
Oh.
Strava. Actually, I didn't know Strava mein people log in. Do you know how much people log in on Strava?
Bro, they use it like Instagram.
Yeah, they just
People who
log
are
in
obsessed with
everything. They went
Strava.
to, if you go to buy groceries, log in, 5-minute walk, grocery run. I mean, what the fuck are you talking about, dude?
Grocery run.
Yeah.
But wait, you have to log in every time for the app to
You
You
have-
basically
you
start
can.
a workout session.
Yeah.
Oh.
You
So
can.
yeah.
It can't always just be on in the background. So if I'm
No,
walking,
so because
10
it's
steps-
battery consuming first of all, and then it basically what the appeal of Strava is, what the final conclusion deta, it shows the map how you ran, so that it fully tracks the whole
Oh,
direction
like you
you're
slowed down
going
here,
in.
you
Yeah,
picked up speed.
It's just to.
cool.
it gives you a whole track. जो तुमने कितना कैसे कैसे चला left, right, आगे
It's
पीछे.
just to show off.
Yeah,
It
it's
is,
to show
yeah.
off.
Fair,
It's just showing off कि मैं
Dude.
तो भाग लिया
But
बहुत.
yeah, but just that it's gamifying fitness.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
gamifying.
It's fun.
Even
that's
this is-
all
Yeah,
smart.
correct. Yeah.
This is fun though, dude. Get a watch, everyone. Everyone
Get
should
a
I mean,
ring.
watch.
but
Sorry,
Ring.
ring.
did you try to first search for like cheaper options, or did you like, okay, this looks great?
See,
I'm gonna
there
get it?
are very cheap options, which is the
Which we
boat
should,
and
yeah.
what's up. Then Ultra Human is the expensive one, which is 28K. Whoop is also around. It's a band, but it's also
but
around
Whoop
the
is
same.
एक तो वैसी band is 24K, but then it's a subscription, so every month
Yeah,
you
this
pay.
is not a subscription.
Yeah.
This is the same. Yeah, fuck that. Fuck
Yeah,
Whoop.
yeah.
It's a fucking watch at the end of the day after
It's
all.
not a watch. उसपे कोई screen नहीं है.
Yeah,
Just
that's
it's
even
a band.
fucking more bullshit, dude. It's just a band.
Yeah, but it's the
band.
most accurate out there right now, is what I've heard.
Who gives a fuck, dude? I don't want that
Nafkar
much
told me,
accuracy.
my rich friend.
Okay, who? Tell us in the comments.
No, but Ultra Human is, I'm guessing, I'm
वो कितने का?
assuming
कितने का?
28, 29.
Oh, हाँ, फिर-
Dude.
Yeah. It's one of the best for sure. But everyone has a ring. Samsung also has a ring now, but I didn't check that. Samsung ka bhi, actually, let me
Because you
check.
just want to support your homegrown brand. Why? Gabbett.
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 It actually looks like
Yeah.
a nice company only. We'll know, but
What other
we'll
products
find
do they
out.
have?
no, this is like health related. वो लोग ने अभी पूरा ये चालू किया. So I guess this is it. They have skincare,
What?
which is weird. They
Skincare
sell
and smart ring.
they sell this. Abey, we are coming to
I think
pick
the
up your order.
skincare,
Sorry, 1 second.
Checks your skin temperature.
Gabbett is coming.
Gabbett is going to my house. What the fuck? Eh.
After all of that,
Lovely timing.
after all of that, they just replied. That's
Oh no, wait. Wait, we're
It's
coming
coming
to
here?
pick up your order for return today. Our executive will be there soon. Okay, I'm gonna call him and
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
got it,
yeah,
got
yeah.
it, got
this
it.
is good for the podcast.
Yeah, hopefully this works.
Call using phone carrier, yeah, of course. अबे I
So he's on his way to Kandivali
Speaker
right
बड़ा,
now.
speaker बड़ा, speaker
अबे रुकना भाई मेरे को काम भी है देख लेते थे क्यों उठा रहा है कि
बड़ा.
नहीं
Let's see. That's crazy. So basically, he's going to the drop location.
Yeah.
The delivery location.
It's automated again.
Yeah, of course it is.
Did he cut my call? I think he
Yeah,
cut
no.
my I think
Wow,
he
dude,
cut
now
my
he's
call.
the delivery guy's ghosting you. That's crazy, dude.
Dude, Gabit, what the fuck?
Every designation at Gabit has ghosted
Yeah,
you
no,
once
No,
now.
this is the third party. Like they get someone else to
Okay.
do it for them.
Tomorrow the ring stops working. The ring starts ghosting you.
Dude.
But I like it. Like out of all the health
Yeah.
gear, watch,
Yeah.
I just didn't want to buy an Apple Watch again. It's just too expensive.
Yeah, because you already have one.
No, that broke. Na? That's why I'm trying
Oh.
to get a new one to
But
track.
Apple Watch is majorly overrated.
It
for
is,
sure.
man.
I mean,
100%.
it does for its markets.
But this does almost the exact same thing.
Yeah,
Apple are
yeah,
checking
It's
your
my
phone.
notification. I also didn't want
Yeah.
an app which showed, a thing that showed me notifications.
Ha, what the-
I didn't want another screen,
Yeah,
honestly.
no, no,
That's
fair,
it.
fair.
I do want to know which one is more accurate though. This one or something like an Apple Watch.
I think this would be. क्योंकि
Really?
a ring would be.
Yeah, I wish
क्योंकि
I could
it's-
tell
यहाँ
you.
पे तो कितनी चीजें cover कर देती है अब तुम्हारी veins को.
Yeah, I mean, I wish
अरे
I
तो
could.
यहाँ पर भी that's
नहीं,
why.
नहीं, no, but that's what I'm saying. It's
Let me
possible
see.
your ring.
Let me see. Let me
चल
see.
मेरा
Just ask Google only.
But like,
Chat
what do you
GPT.
want to see? क्या accurate? क्योंकि but the thing is, I'm not a great representation of Apple Watch because I
you
don't.
don't like it that much anyway.
No, because I don't work out. Like, there's nothing getting recorded.
Fair. But a sleep getting recorded.
Sleep, I don't wear it to sleep. When
don't
I'm,
wear it to sleep.
yeah, I used to in the beginning. Like, I don't need to know my sleep score.
So
I don't
you're
care.
just using it as a watch.
I'm using it as a watch.
There's no need for this.
Like, I opened my health app and the first thing is low cardio fitness.
Low card. This may be due to low levels of physical activity
Nice.
or a medical condition.
Bro, stop
It's
using
not-
my watch, dude. It's belittling you, dude.
No, 1 second. It says low cardio fitness because of low physical activity or medical. It's not a
Thinks
medical.
you're sick, dude.
Yeah, your watch was like, there's no way it can be this
Dude,
low.
are you dying? This guy's dying.
Your watch was like, इतना low कैसे है भाई? ये this is.
The watch is like, am I on a corpse?
That's weird. The skin temperature seems all right.
Oh my
But-
god. That's so funny. And sad. Like, it's really sad.
Yes, dude.
Bottom line, rings often edge out.
Nice.
Interesting way of saying it. Rings often edge out Apple Watch for ease and accuracy in sleep and passive rest data, while the Apple Watch generally wins for dynamic heart health.
Yeah,
and fitness
my
management.
heart health is great. Dude, but the only time I've really loved having this Apple Watch because it gave my confidence a boost. I was doing a spot recently at KCC and I was destroying, okay? And I got a notification on my watch. It was like, environment around you is very loud. I'm like, fuck yeah, dude.
That's
I did
awesome.
it.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
Hey, is a plane going off?
Hey, will
I'm
Gabby tell you
sorry.
that? Will Gabby tell you when you're killing, dude?
This is why I keep the watch. To
That's
tell
a
me.
very expensive.
Because I've heard it, I've only seen it ever at a concert
Yeah.
and then at KCC that night. Like,
Wow, what a specific way to boost your ego.
Yeah,
dude.
yeah,
Nice.
Dude,
Nice.
and then later when you're, if you bomb at a spot, you're like, hey, it's too quiet around
Yeah.
you. Like, no.
You know, and then like sometimes you tell it like, no, this one is accepted, so ignore this level. And then next time when you're actually dying, you're like, yeah, that's okay.
yeah, this
Yeah.
is normal. Hai,
He
bhai.
likes this.
He anyway doesn't move. You know
Product.
what's amazing?
Yeah.
My product is exact on the
Opposite.
opposite side.
खाना लेके आएगा?
Nahi.
There's non-fitness.
Ashtray. It's so,
Ashtray.
Nice.
you're focusing on your health. I'm doing the exact
Oh, I
opposite.
It's a
know
little
this.
coffin.
I know
Oh,
this.
Coffin
That's
ashtray. It
funny.
says,
Sunny-
here lies my ashes.
खरीद लिया साले.
क्या?
I got an
Can you show
ad
to the
for
camera?
You
this.
did? I also got it, yeah.
I got an ad for it. I took a screenshot. I was like, मैं ये खरीदूंगा. तू तो खरीद भी लिया.
Dude, I
Nice.
love this ashtray.
This
But
is very good ashtray.
I have an issue with this ashtray.
Stone, dude. No,
I don't know what it is, but
Seems
the
stone or
coffin
terracotta.
doesn't close properly. It's
Yeah,
like an
that-
open casket.
That's Dracula's coffin, dude.
Oh, that makes so much more sense.
I mean, most coffins.
Dude.
by
But yeah,
default-
you can put like 3 cigarettes in this, by the way, it's so small.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Yeah, like
Oh,
you've
that's
finished
fine.
3
It's an
cigarettes and it's
ashtray.
over.
Or you mean like it can contain the ash only 3 cigarettes?
Because it's so small.
Look at
It's
how
not
small
that
this
small.
is.
Like a 10 and all should be there, dude. What?
Yeah,
is very
4,
small.
5.
Really?
After that, it just fills up.
It's true. There's no width. It's
Yeah,
just very.
yeah, it's
बस
for a very.
लंबा है.
We should return and get a bigger size. Tell them.
Send the guy. I want to get my coffin resized.
Send a sizing kit to, you know.
And then you're smoking cigarettes in front of the guy to measure.
Man, that's my favorite thing about the ring, dude. You just keep wearing rings like, ये वाला, एक और दे दो. हाँ, ये थोड़ा tight है मेरे लिए.
How much is that for? How much is that for?
Dude, very expensive.
What?
Yeah.
Doesn't
How much?
seem
How
like
do you
that.
think it is?
2,000.
No, I think 500.
1500.
500.
1,500. 1,500.
Like
800.
1,000.
Okay.
Oh, that's
I was gonna
that is
confirm.
expensive.
99.
That is expensive for that.
It is very expensive for such a, and I was just so pissed कि वो बंद नहीं होता है पूरा.
Yeah,
So
that's
if I,
right.
even if I put ash in it, it still keeps coming out from the
I think
side.
it's possible this is a faulty product, and you can actually get
Yeah.
like some other one would fit it properly. Because what's the point of it not fitting properly?
That's true. पता नहीं बंद
True.
तोड़ना
ये
मत
बंद
चले.
नहीं हो
Yeah,
रहा.
that's,
Ah.
yeah, that's a faulty product. But I don't know if they take back used ashtrays.
But the main thing I wanted to talk about, wanted to show, is I went to IKEA some time back, and I got a lot of. There was an insane deal going on, where you get 17 boxes for 79 rupees.
But what boxes of what?
These are 17 boxes,
Of what?
just like
organization.
plastic containers,
Yeah.
for 79 rupees.
That is wild, dude. That's amazing.
What are you gonna
That
do
is
with
amazing.
17
I don't know. I
boxes?
just
That is
saw.
amazing.
I just saw 17 boxes for 79. I'm like, I have to
Yeah,
buy this.
fair.
It
17
feels
bucks.
wrong to
What a
not
ge-
buy it.
What a great way to get other people to ruin the environment by
I was
so much
thinking
plastic.
that also, like,
for
dude,
very
you're
little
just
money.
shoving down plastic
Yeah,
down my
dude.
throat, and I'm buying it.
Exactly.
I'll take two.
Nice.
Dude, you know, I got this like a couple of weeks back, and Rajit Bhaiya saw it, okay? And I told him कि अभी खोल नहीं सकता, मेरे को show पे दिखाना है. So he's been pissed every third day. He asked me, अब use कर ले, अब use कर ले.
That's right.
I've run out of boxes, but I have not
But
opened
let's
it.
open it now, no?
Sorry,
Yeah.
one second. The 17 boxes
Yeah.
are inside this only, no?
Yeah.
Different
Yeah,
sizes.
different sizes.
Different sizes, small to big.
Huh.
It's supposed to
okay.
be like.
That's
for
why I was
food?
getting
Is it
confused.
intended for food?
For
Like, is it also
anything, it's
heated or
just-
something?
These are plastic boxes, like containers.
No, like,
you
is
can-
it like a microwave safe? Is that sort of like
I
Tupperware
have
types?
no
I
idea.
don't think
All I
these are-
know,
Look like, yeah.
all I know that there's 17 boxes for 79
bucks.
rupees.
That is cool.
There's one that'll contain 150 ml, two. And then there's a 300 ml, 600
Anything
ml.
that can contain 200 ml is for 79 is a great deal.
I didn't know. I wasn't
Yeah.
finished. There's one that contains 300 ml, one 600 ml, one 1 liter,
Bro.
one 1.6 liter, one 1.8 liter.
This is like a
Yeah.
clown car, dude. How have they
Yeah.
contained so many things?
It's like a
inside
Russian
this?
doll.
Yeah, it's like a Russian
Yeah.
doll. Box
Yeah,
के अंदर
chitty
box
box
के अंदर
out of
box,
box.
dude.
79
Yeah.
रुपीज एक ही खरीदा क्या फिर?
हाँ.
अबे 4-5 खरीद लेता, 10 खरीद लेता. Imagine that's 170
Boxes
boxes.
for 790 rupees.
Yeah, 170 boxes. Dude, sell it for more. Buy it and sell it
Because
for
it's the
100.
original price I saw. कहीं तो लिखा हुआ था.
कुछ 500
It's-
तो रहेगा.
718.
Yeah. Okay.
I got it for 79 rupees.
Like
Dude,
90%
there's no
off or
way
something.
this is for 718 rupees. That's
I mean,
too
dude, it's
expensive.
17 boxes though.
17 boxes is के लिए 718 is also. Is it expensive?
I think it's fair only.
क्या करेगा तू इतने box?
I again,
No idea.
Govind, you have to understand the only reason it's here right now is because there's 17 boxes for 79 rupees. That
I
makes
think-
no sense to
I
me.
think Ranjit Bhaiya wants all of this as a gift to him.
Ranjit is like, we have no boxes. Can I please use them to
Yeah,
store
How
food?
about 1700 boxes?
Okay, should I get to my product?
Yeah,
What is it?
So मेरे को ना चस्का लगता है
ओहो.
of certain things in the sense कि if I buy one speaker, I like it,
Yeah.
and then I'm like, oh, this speaker is retro style. What are the retro style speakers are there? So I'll buy like a whole bunch of them. Okay, I like
You
so like
never
I
buy
like
the
10.
thing for the purpose it is for.
Yeah,
Like you never
correct.
buy like a good sounding,
No,
good
correct.
audio
It's never
speaker.
that. True.
You
It's never
buy
that.
the
True, true.
It's never that.
quirkiest looking
Same.
speaker.
Exactly. So I got speakers. Then I'm like, okay, shoes.
Same.
Okay, I bought like one pair of like awesome
Correct.
one piece
But
limited
never buy
edition Puma
like
shoes.
good shoes.
Yeah, the only good shoes I have are one piece Puma editions.
Yeah.
And one Kirti just gifted me from what's the Indian shoe brand?
Gully
Just-
Labs.
Gully
Gully
Labs.
Hey,
Gully Labs.
Gully Labs is also what I want
do
to
not
buy.
like
Yeah.
Gully
I like
Oh,
it.
I
really
like the
don't
shoes
like
that she
Gully
got me.
Labs.
Dude,
Yeah.
Gully Labs has some good
Very good
shoes.
design.
Why
Another-
don't you like it?
I don't know. I just don't like
Oh,
the
really?
designs at all.
Okay, fair enough. There's another Indian brand. I don't have a shoe of them, but
Comet.
Banjaran karke.
Oh.
Comet is Indian?
Comet
Yeah,
is
Comet is
Oh,
Indian.
they have good designs also. Yes.
Comet,
Yeah,
huh?
Comet,
I mean,
I
these
didn't
are
like.
all
No?
copies. Well, not
Yeah,
copy,
yeah.
like inspired by Nike dunks के जितने
Yeah,
भी है
yeah.
सारे वो Comet
Yeah,
है.
yeah, fair, fair.
I mean, Gully Labs is still original.
Yeah.
That I
Yeah.
respect, but I
Right.
just don't like the design.
So one such thing जिसका मेरे को चस्का है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा चस्का है, is watches.
But never a
this-
nice watch.
No, I have some like very good watches also.
Oh,
This
you
is
got
my-
a box?
What the
This
fuck
is
is
one
this?
box.
This is a rich
Sorry,
person
I'll
thing,
just
dude.
I'll just arrange it properly. I think वो मैंने थोड़ा
God
लेटा के
damn,
लाया,
dude.
थोड़ा अजीब हो गया.
Wait. ये side कर लेते हैं.
हाँ, I'll just arrange them properly. So it just
Some of
looks
them are
nice.
cute looking.
Okay.
I
This-
like
Gold and
this.
green.
I like
And
this.
then this is my travel bag that I travel with. There's another 3 watches in this, and
at
one I'm
this.
wearing right now. Yeah, Titan. Love this, no? Then these 3 also. This is
Oh
what I have.
fuck, dude.
Here you go.
I didn't know you had these many watches.
Yeah. So this and one I'm wearing, another Titan.
How are you still always late?
I'm
Now
not
he
that
knows
late.
how
I'm
late
not
he
that
is.
late.
You're always late. You were supposed to be here at 11. You came at 12:30.
I mean, तू
Oh,
तो
you
बोल ही
came at
मत.
12:30.
You missed your flight, okay? You fuck up.
You were not gonna come only to
Yeah, dude.
Bangalore. You to
You
shut
just
up.
Stop it.
No, but these are nice watches, dude.
Yeah, yeah. Dude, I really like this. Like,
Which is the most expensive one?
The most expensive one is this. Dude, I got this at my wedding.
Yeah.
Okay, someone gifted it to me. This is an Armani, an Emporio Armani watch. I think it cost like some 40K or something.
Okay. Oh.
That's crazy. I hardly even wear it because I'm not that fond of metal watches.
Yeah,
But,
this is
I like
Uh,
this. This is
Yeah, nice.
neat.
Dude, I have like
Yeah.
4 Titans. All of
Yeah.
them I
Sure.
wear. Those are my most used watches, the 4 Titans.
I
have.
like that and I like this.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great.
This is pretty
Yeah.
good, dude.
Then this is
really
like a
like
very
this.
cool fast track that I got. Again.
Fast track.
Yeah, again. Like,
How much is
not much.
this for?
This is around 5K. Most of these are around 5, 6, 7K.
Dude, can I have this? Buy it.
Not
Buy it.
No, this I got my as a wedding gift.
अबे
Again.
सब कुछ को wedding में
No,
बुला
only
रहे
these
हैं।
two. This one I got like my in-laws gifted me at the wedding.
Oh, okay.
I mean,
This
that's
one I
okay.
got as
They're
a wedding
my-
gift. The rest are all I
Dude,
bought.
they won't notice
असली
if
माँ
I
बाप
buy
थोड़ा
it.
है
I'll buy it.
Yeah.
Or tell me where to get this because
Yeah,
this
yeah,
is
yeah,
really good.
Find it
I think
somewhere
we-
else. Why do you want
Exactly.
this
Why
watch
you want
only?
mine, dude? My wedding watch you want?
Give me a pen. I'll write Govind on top of this. अब क्या करेगा बे? No, but I really like
Yeah,
this
dude, I
one.
love this. This is one of my favorites. This is one of my most. worn
I
watches.
really don't like this. It's just very tacky.
So-
Fair enough.
Forward
Fair
to
enough.
the
This is
camera also.
this is a very cheap watch. I think this is like.
This is like you buy
like
if you
1500,
shop for
2000 max.
6,000, you get a watch
I
free.
think-
yeah,
This, yeah,
lifestyle.
this is not from a this is not from proper watch company. It's from US Polo.
Yeah, that's
Club,
why I think I think you
US
probably
yeah,
shopped for like
Polo Club.
6,000 rupees and
something
you
like
got
that.
a watch free.
So, dude, like every day, this is like a big pleasure in my life.
What?
Okay, where I get up after my
Yeah.
bath and I'm going out now.
Yeah.
I choose. I open my watch box and I'm like, okay, which one am I gonna wear today? What can I
Damn.
match with my clothes today? With my shoes today?
Succession.
Fucking amazing, dude. I love it.
Show me
This is
that.
budget
Yeah, go
level of succession.
Huh? Yeah, budget level of succession.
So, and I can't take this whole box everywhere I travel. So I have like a small kit of 3 that I travel with. So I can keep changing the watch.
Dude, sorry.
Three watches?
Sorry. In this box are at least nice. There's an Armani,
Sure.
there's a
Yeah.
Titan ka ye
Yeah,
sab.
yeah.
This is Fast Track, Guess,
Guess.
and Sonata.
Oh, Guess is pretty good.
Yeah,
It's-
Sonata.
Sonata is Again, this is 1500 or something. But
Sonata-
it had a very good dial design, like a square rectangle.
Yeah.
No,
So I
no,
was
no,
like,
no.
not really.
That is
Okay,
no.
fair man, fair. That's all good. But
Ugly looking watch.
Yeah.
I look for like
But
interesting dial
you
design.
divided
I-
it.
I like
you
it.
divided it perfectly. That's a nice box. This is a fucking ugly bag.
Ugly box for ugly watches. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but I keep shifting those out, and then like
Wait, is this the same as the green one? This red one?
no, it's
No,
not.
no. This
Oh,
is
they
a
look the
Guess
same.
one.
Yeah, this is yeah. So yeah, dude. What do
This is pretty nice.
I
Not
like
this. This.
Yeah.
with these, yeah.
But are you into watches at all?
No.
Have you
I've
ever-
tried. I mean, I've tried to be into
Yeah.
watches, but I just can't see myself spending that much money on watches.
Hmm.
Like, I'm okay with a good enough watch, one that I'll wear. I don't mind
Oh,
watches,
you
but
how many do you have right now?
I don't have many. I remember last episode
Yeah,
I
correct.
bought
Casio.
that Casio
Yes.
one.
Yeah.
That's it. Done. Done.
What?
I've also never been
That's
into
also abnormal,
watches.
dude. You can't have
I
just
don't-
one
I don't-
watch.
I'm
Why?
not a
Why
big
can't you? I
watch
only like now I have an Apple Watch. Before this, I only had that Casio ka G-Shock wala
Yeah,
watch.
I
I wore
was
that for
think-
like 5 years.
I was thinking of getting a G-Shock.
Bro, it's the best.
Yeah.
The G-Shock one, it
G-Shock-
goes with everything. It's the
No.
cool thing to have. It's minimal.
These are too big, dude. I
No,
don't like
not
those
no,
bulky
no,
ones.
bigger ones. The Casio G-Shock, like the classic ones. The chota sa dial hai jiska. Not
you-
the bulky
Oh,
one.
those are not G-Shocks. Those are classic Casios, no then?
No,
Metal
no,
ones.
but they are G-Shock only. But I'll show you which one.
Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, that's that's pretty good. That's
The
nice.
most basic G-Shock,
Okay, cool.
not the bulky one.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
That's quite nice. Yeah.
So before this, I had an Apple Watch. Then I stopped wearing the Apple Watch. I got this, and now I'm back on Apple Watch.
I'm not much into digital watches. I'm very, I'm very tempted to buy the Casio
Yeah.
classic. What do you call them? I forgot the name of them. Interceptor or something. It's called.
I have no clue.
Yeah. I
It's
know
called
what you're
Interceptor,
talking
yeah.
about.
The one you have, I think.
The-
it's something like
the
that.
metallic one?
That's something
Yeah,
else.
that
Yeah.
one. I want to buy one of those classic ones. But other than that, I don't like digital watches much. I like the.
I only
proper
like digital
analog.
because I don't think I can tell the time.
Really?
Like I can tell the time, but it takes me more than like
Yeah,
2
yeah.
seconds.
Oh.
Then it's
Yeah,
a
I
little
can do it at
embarrassing if
glance.
somebody asks me like.
Glance.
It always takes an extra second. What's the
That's
time?
true. Yeah.
So the time is it just takes an extra
And sometimes you
second.
get it wrong, then you feel like a dumbass.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's 3:30, not 2:30. Sorry,
So
sorry.
on this watch also there are like different watch faces you can put, right? So there
Yeah,
like if
sure.
you're going for a party or something, you can change your voice
Oh, I
of
didn't think of that.
watch face to like proper analog and all. And I did it once and I couldn't tell the time. Like, why do I have a digital watch if I'm only going to put analog on
time.
it?
Yeah,
So dumbest thing. So now I'm just back to normal digital.
More than watches, I'm into dude because of Khamba's episode.
Fragrances.
Fragrances, and then no after that, Joel also has a full obsession. So those many and other people also, these many people with obsession as like, let me fucking try getting into
Yeah,
fragrances.
All these people have okay.
I'm in,
Bro,
I'm
Joel
I'm
has a
on
collection.
Reddit communities
Yeah,
and
yeah.
all.
Huh?
I'm on Reddit communities and all. I found this person who
Yeah?
sends you know what a decanter is?
I have 4 right now.
Like small decanters? Yeah. So this person, he has like a collection of all the fragrance you can think of, and he sells like 10 milliliter, 20 milliliter, like
Yeah.
samples which
No,
Kamba was
there's
talking about.
There's a website
There's a
called
website also.
Perfume Gyan. You can go there, and Perfume Gyan is mostly like all these dupes wale. So there are the very expensive.
Tom Dow and all that.
Yeah, like the what are they called? I fucking forgot what they're called. Like
Sample.
No.
Scent?
Like the companies, the big
Oh, okay.
companies that only make perfumes, the niche perfume.
Perfumeries.
No. Niche but expensive.
Okay.
Creed
Like
करके there's
design-
a company, designer.
Yeah, luxury brands.
Yeah, luxury perfume brands. Creed करके एक है, and there are some French sounding names also. They have very good perfumes,
Yeah.
Okay.
but they're very fucking expensive.
Super expensive.
So expensive. So all these Middle Eastern, there are a lot of Middle Eastern companies.
Okay.
They've made dupes of all these
Nice.
Big ones,
expensive perfumes.
Yeah.
For 1/3, 1/5 of the price. Okay, and they're almost there.
I get it.
They're
Yeah.
almost
I
there,
get it,
like
I get it.
80-90% there.
Fair.
And you have to still see which one you like, which one you don't, because some of them are pretty bad.
Fair.
But you still have to, तो उसके लिए decant मैं वो 5-6 ले लेता हूँ, 500 300 रुपए के मिल
Say-
जाते हैं 10 ml,
So,
5 ml.
so you are getting decanters of the
Fake ones.
right?
Fake मत बोलो भाई, dupe
हाँ,
है।
dupe one. First copy. So on Reddit,
Fake
there are
means it just
people.
there's no perfume, dude. if it works at all, it's
Yeah,
can't
like
be fake.
water.
You know, yeah.
But on Reddit, there are people who is like you will have the original bottle, and they're selling decanters of that. So like for 1,500, you'll get 20 ml of or Invictus or like whatever these expensive
I don't
ones
think
are.
you'll get Invictus for 1,500.
No, but
decant.
10 milliliter, like a
That's
small
also-
decanter.
No, but that's also very expensive. Dude, these things are so expensive.
हाँ तो इसलिए तो
Like
1,700 रुपए 10 milliliter. Dude,
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
for
yeah.
like 4 times you use
Yeah,
it and it's
bro.
over.
No. It lasts
That's the price
longer.
of your Naruto Soul Store.
Wait, fuck, where's my bag?
You have that Naruto one.
No, I don't have the Naruto one. Now, I also like for a cheap perfume,
Yeah.
I think this is the fucking best
I get a bag. Where's the
perfume.
bag there?
Where's my bag? Like for a cheap perfume, this is not a dupe. This is just a company. Nautica,
Nautica.
is the
I have a Nautica.
fucking
What
best.
is Nautica?
Nautica is very good.
Just
I have a
smell
Nautica.
it.
I have a
For
Nautica.
a cheap perfume, this is
not
the
bad.
Yeah, yeah.
best.
How much is this for?
2,000, I think.
Oh,
There's good. There's another one called
Spray it. Spray it and
Bell
see.
Vita.
Yeah.
Bell Vita or something like Dolce Vita, something like that. Some Vita. I think Bell Vita. one.
कहाँ कर रहा है बे तेरा बॉडी तेरे बॉडी पे कर गई अरे तेरे हाथ में करके
It
कभी
was
नहीं
actually
किया
very funny. He sprayed it and the fan is on, so it all went down. I hope the camera caught that.
I didn't account.
Hosam sprayed it and then नीचे तक this is like
But
an
does it,
everyday
does it stay on for long?
not too long this is EDT no this is
the toilet.
Dude, damn refreshing. Dude, what a
I
nice
know
smell.
man
What a nice smell.
it's such a nice
But I like the
smell.
Zara ones also.
So Zara's
yeah.
by the way are also dupes
Yeah, I know.
yeah
What?
Yeah,
So,
like dupes of like other popular.
famous
Zara
fragrances,
in
yeah.
itself is like a dupe only. Like all the designs are copies of like designer brands or luxury products.
Dude, there's this Guess Flora, some like sub brand of like Guess K, but
Guess.
Flora range of fragrances.
Yeah.
Fucking all of them are excellent if you ever
Guess
get a
का
chance.
watch और fragrance
Fragrance.
दोनों है
That's
तेरे
what I
को।
like. I love this.
all the accessories from dress, not the
Yeah.
thing they went
So
for.
I'm also like into fragrances, but not like what you've gotten into or something now.
Man,
I just
I
have like a
really
bunch,
like it.
but that's
I've
just,
got-
I don't buy more.
I just really like. I always liked smelling good.
Yeah, fair.
But I just never got into this.
Yeah,
After I got into this,
yeah.
I was like, I can smell better.
That's
Oh my
true.
god!
I've never
fuck.
thought about that. Like now, ever since like actually from Khamba's episode only, like I should
Yeah.
focus. So my perfume guy on Reddit, I have a perfume guy now. By the way, if you ever need perfume, tell me. My perfume guy, when I was talking to him, he was like, "Okay, tell me which city do you live in? What's the weather like there?" Like, oh, I did not know you need to like a proper questionnaire you have
Yeah.
prepared.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Yeah, of
he
course.
then he
So-
figured out my scent. Now he's sending me some stuff.
What is he sending you?
He's sending me 3 different scents: one designer, one Middle Eastern, and one niche. He said. So it's a mix of
He's sending you small decanters.
small decanters,
How,
like 10.
how expensive?
2200 for 3.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
Pretty good, yeah.
But which ones is he sending you?
He sent me a whole list. I don't know the names.
Sure.
Wait.
I really like fucking fragrances, dude. It's so nice.
Dude, Reddit is the best. There's everything on Reddit.
Yeah, that's for 100%, dude.
You can find a community for anything.
Yeah.
Hey, that reminds me. We have a sub called Spider Bender on Reddit. Please, dude. Okay, guys, put your fucking stuff there. Now it's can't be this hard. Just put your stuff. You know what? We'll start featuring it on the episode.
Oh
if you
yeah,
put it.
like last segment will be or products you guys feature or put on Reddit.
Yep. So
Yeah,
please put your products on the Reddit.
Yeah, let's
subreddit.
get it going, guys.
Yeah, it's called Spender Bender. It's as easy as it sounds. So just put your products, whatever you buy, whatever
Yeah.
you spend on, and we'll feature it, and we'll fucking destroy you.
Like
but
even
do it.
even
Yeah.
stuff like if you get a watch on the show, you can show us the watches you have.
That's
You know,
true.
you're like,
That's
we-
true.
we-
What
Right.
fragrances do you have?
Yeah,
show,
we love
show,
to
show,
know.
show, show, show.
Do whatever you want, yeah. it's
Whatever
free.
you want.
Just give me
Just
the
not
idea.
weird stuff.
Yeah.
No, I'm
So
getting
this
to
guy
whatever.
is sending me Mankera Sidrat Boys Intense, GG Reserve Privé.
Wait, where is it? These three. GG Reserve Privé, Ibrak
Like
French Tobacco.
But he was like, don't worry, because I told him I don't like tobacco. So he's like, इसमें नाम में tobacco, but tobacco नहीं है, don't worry. I'm like, ठीक
तो
है
फिर
भाई.
क्यों है नाम में?
पता नहीं.
Khadlaj Siaka Silver, Salvatore. I have no clue what the fuck these
Yeah.
things are.
Well, it sounds very Middle Eastern all this. dude.
So wait, 2 Middle Eastern, 2 designer, and 1 niche.
So
yeah.
Middle Eastern would be like Ittar based. Is that what?
No.
Oud
So
based?
no.
Oud
So
based.
that's the thing. So some decants I bought. I always get a decant first because you never
sample.
know. Sometimes there's an thoda extra ittar ka smell.
Oh, got it,
Thoda
got
sa.
it, got it.
And
Yeah.
I don't really
Like it.
enjoy
Yeah,
it too
yeah,
much.
yeah,
So
yeah.
you just have to figure out किस में है किस में नहीं है.
I don't want to smell like Dubai.
Yeah,
Like
some
the-
have
yeah.
some, but like the one of the most famous Armaf का club दिन हुई जो तेरे घर पे मैं छोड़ के गया था.
It's actually very good.
It's so fucking
very good.
good, dude.
Yeah, yeah,
It oh
It's a dupe of Invictus or
yeah.
something, right? Yeah.
Creed Aventus.
Aventus.
Creed Aventus का like the Creed Aventus is the original here. That's for 30,000 or 35,000 something, I don't know,
Okay.
something around that. This is for like 5,000,
Oh, okay.
and it's
It
150
smells
ml.
as good.
Oh, that's
But I haven't
150
smelled the
ml.
original one, so I don't know if it's as good or
it's
not.
very close.
Fair,
It's very.
fair.
So
You smelled
what
the
these-
original?
No.
Reddit.
I've seen YouTube videos. But what I've realized is also that these dudes, it's not like they one-to-one copy whatever. They add their own like
thoda hint or
thoda
something.
Yeah.
something else.
Yeah.
Just to differentiate it.
Yeah, yeah.
थोड़ा धनिया डाल दिया extra.
थोड़ा
but-
ऐसा, थोड़ा बिरयानी.
It makes sense because in case you end up like yeah.
थोड़ा बिरयानी
बिरयानी
थोड़ा
डाल
इलायची.
थोड़ा इलायची. No, but sometimes it
Tandoori
works.
chicken I'll buy.
Sometimes it works better.
I get it. They want to add like, see, if you buy their scent, they don't want you to move on to the bigger brand, no, because they're like, oh, this is similar to that. I will move
Yeah,
on.
this has become
They'll
a-
add their own hint. We're like, okay, if you like the smell,
Yeah.
we have something of ours also in this. So that
Yeah.
you buy this from us again.
There's also
Makes
one
sense.
I have
guess.
Armaf का ही एक दूसरा
How many Armavs do you have now?
2 Armavs and one
What's the most
Afnan I think it is Havas Ice करके
Havas?
there's one Havas Ice.
Havas
There's a
Ice?
Havas Fire also. Havas Ice is so fucking good.
I think
dude.
I've heard this
it's
on this
so good.
community
it's so
only.
good.
I've heard of Havas also. Yes.
Havas-
There's one called Rare Reef. I have that. There's one called Turati Blue, which I did not like.
What are
There's
these names, guys?
there's
I don't know
one-
any of
But
these.
you're buying the full bottles or
no,
these are decanters?
decants. I have Armaf ka dono bottle.
Yeah.
and I have this
Nautica.
Voyage.
Yeah.
These are the 3 bottles I have.
Bottles. And
the others, I
Naruto,
think,
of course.
Sorry?
And Naruto, of
Naruto's
course.
over.
Naruto's over?
Yeah,
Already?
yeah.
How much
Oh
were you
wow!
using?
How much do you
I
use
use too much.
perfume?
Yeah, man.
No, now I know how to use it. Pehle na, I was
How
just...
do you? What do you? What, how are you
Yeah.
using it wrong?
I'll
or-
tell you. I'll tell
What?
you. I'll tell you.
Okay, okay.
I'll tell you. So
बाहर
pehle...
कर रहा था क्या?
ये तेरी तरह हवा में कर रहा था
Man, I used to go on runs and just keep spraying and just running into it for 1 kilometer. I'm just no pehle. So I sweat, right? So I mean everyone
Everyone
sweats, but like I sweat
Don't
thoda
tell Usang
extra,
about
not
sweat.
like him, but like still enough.
yeah.
Enough for my t-shirts to start smelling weird,
Sure.
and that is like
I get
used to be one of the biggest fucking
Pet peeves.
annoyance.
Yeah,
pet
fair,
peeves for
fair,
me कि
fair,
यार
fair, fair.
my fucking armpits
true.
ये सब क्या बकवास है. So I used to keep spraying armpits में या
Oh.
हर जगह. So it got too much. Then I realized how you should spray it neck पे यहाँ पे ये
Yeah,
सब, and you get the roll-on deodorants.
Those are for the armpits and all.
Yeah, because
fair.
then your sweat doesn't like start smelling. So I just use the roll-on now, and that's
Fair,
enough.
fair. So you
Turns
carry a
out-
roll-on and a
I have a
regular.
roll-on, yeah. I always carry a
But Nivea roll-on?
I think so, dude.
Oh,
हाँ,
oh,
roll on
shit.
तो Nivea के अच्छे होते हैं और किसके अच्छे?
नहीं वैसे बहुत कंपनीज बनाती हैं वैसे तो.
I've only heard
But,
Nivea roll
but it's
on.
crazy that I'm guessing all of
Dude,
Govind's
all
products.
today,
That's
yeah,
crazy.
you're on a different frequency with
Yeah,
Govind
man.
today.
I didn't know I had these many things in my bag.
Oh, wow,
Okay,
dude.
this is the Nivea roll-on.
Nivea roll-on, of course, classic. Fresh
it's-
natural.
It's actually good enough. I only get the one that, I mean, just doesn't help me.
Is it
I mean,
weird if
just-
we smell your armpit?
Fucking, why are you smelling my armpit roller,
That's
dude?
just-
Disgusting.
What the fuck, Andre?
I know, but I don't want to smell it.
What do you mean? You've never smelled a roll on before?
And I have this, you know, Sumaira
Oh,
had
yeah,
talked
yeah,
about
yeah,
this.
yeah,
I
this I
use
know, this I
this
know.
every
Great.
fucking
Yeah,
day.
this is
I
great,
mean,
this is
yeah,
great.
yeah, this-
This is just spray it in your mouth and
It is good.
and
Great, very
and
good.
this I told you Club de Nui.
Yeah, this.
Oh, that looks like a
This is
nice
very
one,
nice.
dude.
No, I
Why do
ruined
you
it. I
roll-
ruined
why
it.
do you
There
roll
was a
around
whole-
with it without
Huh,
the cover?
thing-
अरे
what
it
happened?
goes out in the bag. I don't do
cover's in the
anything.
bag somewhere?
उसके आगे
Yeah.
कुछ तो था ना पहले
वो
लगा हुआ.
टूट गया शायद.
Oh, अच्छा. No, this
just smell
bottle
it.
looks better than what
Oh,
it is
way
right
better,
now.
way
Yeah,
better than
Are you
this.
using this as an ashtray also?
No, I don't know what's happening.
Why
Wait.
is it so dirty?
हाथ दिखा, हाथ दिखा.
हाँ, there.
Yeah, this is. अरे कहाँ गया? हाँ.
Oh, very nice.
That's very good.
Oh, that's very good.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, that's amazing,
I
dude.
know, man.
Oh, man.
It's so good. Club de Nui, intense
So
man. That's what this is
Intense,
called.
man. That's
Yeah,
intense,
this is
man.
quite popular in the fragrance community.
Yeah, it's one of the like मतलब top.
Yeah,
ये
like in
है
the
ही.
Middle
Is
Eastern
that-
scents, this is one of the top
Is that the
ones.
most costly one you have?
No, dude, this is 5,000
Yeah,
rupees.
so
And
Middle
this is
Eastern scents are
150
around this
ml.
only.
Yeah, that's 150.
This is 150 ml,
It'll
dude.
last
So
you, yeah.
it's pretty good. And this is Hava size.
Oh yeah, I want to see Hava size.
Hava size, dude. They have to know what it means, right? Does it mean something else in Dubai?
Oh.
It's nice, no?
Does it mean something else in Dubai?
Oh, dude.
I know.
Oh, this is good, good.
Yeah, I know, dude.
Oh, this is great.
How much was this decanter for?
300 or 500 or something.
Not bad.
अबे सब दूर गया भाई.
This is from Perfume Gyan.
हाँ. Dude, Khamba, what have you
oh,
done,
I'm gonna get this. This is very good.
हाँ, this is Rasasi का Hava size. Rasasi is
भाई,
the
रसासी
company.
अभी मंगवा रहा हूँ भाई
Dude,
मैं.
Rasasi is a Dubai-based
very good, very good.
perfume maker, and it's made by Indians.
Whoa.
This
Yeah,
is an
boom,
Indian company.
boom.
Boom.
Nice. Dude, I just realized we didn't rate any of our products today. How much would you rate the ring?
Oh, the ring.
Yeah.
Dude,
I mean,
I
it's
would.
yet to find out. Like, I
Yeah.
don't know.
You just got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I would still like. I know what I want with the ring. I want it for like to track my sleep and workouts and just heart rate and
Yeah,
all.
वो तो कर
Like
लेगा, हाँ.
that's all I wanted
that's
for.
fair,
तो
that's fair.
उतना तो कर ही लेगा
हाँ,
ये.
कर लेगा.
उसके लिए मेरे को अल्ट्रा ह्यूमन की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. उसके आधे
Fair.
में मेरे को ये मिल गया. That's good enough. I don't want to go with a brand की नहीं मैं तो
Nice,
best
dude.
brand
Now
ही
you'll see
लूँगा.
Govind on stage holding a mic with that fucking fuckboy ring. Fuckboy scent and fuckboy ring.
Boom.
We got a hashtag for this episode.
Fuck boy ring. But I would like it. But again, I'll only know after a month of using
Yeah.
it or
Fair,
something.
fair.
So, but it's insane how it knows when you sleep, when you wake up. The second you wake up, the ring's like.
Dude,
you
I've
woke
always
up.
wondered that. How do they know?
How?
How do they find out that I'm asleep and how do they know I wake up?
Must be a heart rate thing.
Yeah.
Must be right. Yeah.
Yeah, must be. When you wake up suddenly, I
कुछ तो
think
होता रहेगा,
heart rate का कुछ तो fluctuation होता
Oh.
होगा.
रहेगा.
ऐसे
But it's
थोड़ी
so
कि आँख खुला
precise.
रहे like कोई ऐसा देख रहा है तेरा
Yeah,
देख
but
देखो.
like sometimes it knows when I'm in deep sleep.
REM sleep, all that.
Or
Yeah,
when I'm in REM
इसमें
sleep.
इसमें it's divided. REM sleep
हाँ,
कितना टाइम
हाँ,
था वो
exactly.
सब भी.
मेरे को प्रॉपर स्कोर देता है कि इस टाइम से इस टाइम पे मैं रेम स्लीप में था. मैं 14 बार उठाऊं बीच में. I don't even know that I woke up 14 times, but my watch knows.
Fuck,
What am I
dude.
doing?
But I think Ring is exactly what I want. I don't want another screen. It really.
Dude, I'm more
fucking-
active when I'm sleeping. I just realized.
Your watch will be like you took 200 steps when you were sleeping and
Sleepwalking.
zero
Nice.
when you were awake. 0 steps when you were awake.
It would be cool if you have an Apple Watch tracking your thing. If you just have a sleepwalker,
Yeah.
if you
Oh,
wore
yeah,
one,
yeah,
that would be
yeah.
awesome, dude.
Dude, what do you rate?
You wake up fitter than you went to sleep with.
What do you wait?
Your ring,
Mera-
I would rate like a solid like 7.
No, I
Pretty
really,
happy
I
with
know
it.
what I want a
Yeah,
ring
yeah.
for. I didn't get
Yeah.
it
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
ऐसे ही कि
But I
ring
feel
खरीदते
you
हैं.
are anyway healthy and you do work out
I
regularly.
just needed to track it. तो मैं फोन से करता था.
Yeah.
And it's just fucking annoying क्योंकि I just have to assume a lot
That's
of
true,
things. So
that's
I
true.
just want something
But
to
is there a
track.
goal you have in mind to track? Why are you tracking
No,
it?
I just want to track it so that I can like make it a little better. क्योंकि again, I don't think.
So are
I
you
had
gonna
said-
analyze your data?
No, I don't think I had said this on the podcast. So I got. मैंने शायद तेरे को बोला था. I was underweight बीच में, ठीक है? I was 69 kgs, which I'm not supposed to be.
Nice.
I'm supposed to be like 72 to 74 या 76 के बीच
But
में.
it's so sexually active. Can't
Yeah.
be helped. Your weight is like.
Shut the fuck up. So I was 69 kgs and I was like, dude, I can't be this underweight. It looks weird. मैं पूरा कांडी कांडी हो गया था. I was like, I
क्या
have
हो गया
to-
था?
कांडी.
Kandi.
कांडी नहीं बोलते.
What is
ना?
Kandi?
कांडी बोलते हैं ना?
I don't know what can't is.
Yeah, yeah. What is
Dude, ये क्या
Kandi?
कांदिवली का term है क्या?
कांडी कांडी.
मतलब- कांडी just.
Oh, Sukada.
I think it's a Marathi term then.
Oh, Kandi.
But I'm too used to saying
Yeah,
Kandi. But मैं
okay.
Kandi
I've
हो
never
गया
heard
था.
this word before.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Everyone in Kandivali is like.
That's Kandi from Kandi.
Full Kandi हो गया था मैं. But then after that I was like I need to increase my weight. So I started eating. ठीक है? I was like अब तो खा ही सकता है. मैं underweight हूँ भाई. मैं खा लेता
now
हूँ.
there's a reason to
Best time to eat. Then I checked my weight after a while. I was 78. I was like, "Abbe,
Oh,
That's
इतना
a
क्या
jump,
खा
dude.
लिया?
now I'm overweight." I was like, how did I become overweight, dude?
And how many days?
I don't remember, but not days.
How- what
like
did you
months,
eat?
months. Like
What did
1
you
and a half.
eat?
Just anything and everything, dude. I was like, मैं तो underweight हूँ, मैं तो खा सकता हूँ भाई कुछ भी. So after that, I became overweight. So and now it's so tough to lose that weight. I'm still
Yeah.
77 or something. I know it doesn't show,
Yeah.
but it's
You
a
know,
lot of.
you know,
I know
yeah.
कि अंदर क्या गंदा KFC
You know
भरा हुआ है.
What happens with me every time like if I get a match on Hinge or if I go out on a date, right?
You gain weight?
Huh?
You gain weight?
I allow myself to eat whatever. Like, oh,
अब तो हो
I
गया
still
भाई,
got it.
अब
I
तो
still
start
got it.
हो,
Like, I don't need to
अब तो
start
start
losing
हो.
weight right now, so I can order McDonald's because I got a date.
I
That's
get
the
it, I get
opposite
it.
of what I
Doesn't
do.
make sense. It's such a weird.
No,
makes
it's,
no
it's the
sense.
getting married dilemma.
हाँ,
right?
वही,
yeah,
Once you're
yeah,
married,
yeah,
like, I've
yeah,
gained
yeah.
like another like in the last month I've gained like 3 kgs. or
True.
something.
I think I
Yeah,
want to be
marriage
married.
with them
Yeah.
makes sense.
That's
I'm
what-
saying date.
Yeah.
It's just like it gives me that validation. Like, you know, I still got it.
I get it. I don't need to look good.
Yeah. I don't need to
get-
walk
to
anymore.
get
I
laid.
can just lie down.
now once you start dating and all your steps are negative. वैसे भी zero पे है. After that it's negative.
Apple Watch, are you walking backwards? How are you walking? How are you doing this?
How are you doing?
You broke your Apple Watch sensor.
But you know, a lot of people think we
Spend a lot.
are not actual spenders.
Who,
and-
who thinks that?
No, yesterday also I think again Joshua was like,
Oh really? You think we are not actual spenders? What is this, guys? I can't literally spend more money.
no, you got 3 of them for free.
That's
But
true,
then,
yeah.
no, Joshua.
17 boxes for 79 rupees. What are you talking about? I'm not a spender.
No, I think Joshua also had a nice bag or something yesterday. I was like,
Yeah.
that's a good bag. वही company के ऐसा पूछा, and then he was like, oh, you actually do spend. Like, what do you think? This came out of a real problem that all of us had.
Man,
Oh, people
our
just thought
bike-
we bend.
Yeah,
Spending
somebody
involved.
who works for the show
Yeah.
is doubting if we're actually spending, not even
Well,
like audience
What are these fake
members.
products that these
We're
people keep getting?
actually spenders
No, yeah,
only.
we buy things and then we're like, oh shit, this needs to go on the show.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
we got it.
Exactly.
Guys, buy Hava size.
Dude, our size is very
Our
good.
size is
Full
10.
recommend. Yeah.
10 on 10 for sure.
Watches me, I
Fucking
rate your green one, the Titan one, fucking 10 on 10.
Yeah,
I'll steal
everything
it.
else.
Great. I'll send you
The
that,
the green.
No, I'll steal yours.
The
you
green
won't
band
realize.
You
one,
send me a link
I-
to buy it again.
I'll steal this and then I'll be like,
Hey, bro, I
Antariksh.
think you're missing a watch.
Yeah, what we
Sorry,
say.
what?
No, I think the green band one I'll score 1, dude. It's really
Oh,
ugly.
really? I love that watch. I get a lot of
Green
compliments.
band wala.
The green band and golden dial.
Yeah, yeah. I love that watch.
I
I get a lot
hated
of
it.
compliments when I wear it, by the way. So most of these, you know, the more I
Yes.
I wear them according to.
The green band.
Yeah, this is just.
If it was more matte and not shiny,
Fair, I get
it would have been nice. I like green as a dark color. Dark green is a
Dude,
fucking
I have like
good
4
color.
greens. Yeah, I have 4 green watches.
I really like
love
dark
greens.
green as a
Yeah.
color only on watches especially.
I
But
agree.
like this, dude, fucking look at this, guys.
Yeah,
Wow.
that one's nice.
Yeah.
It's fucking beautiful. तेरे flight का I rate
Oh, हाँ, बताओ.
I rate the
How much is the
experience because it was so thrilling. A 10.
No,
Oh.
I'd rated 9. You lost 1 point because you didn't help that Scandinavian dude.
Oh, I gave him food.
Yo, dude, yeah, that's true.
What else do I do?
What if
अबे
we
क्या
got?
जमीन पे बैठ के बस 3 दिन खाते रहे उसको
Yeah,
घर
no, I
जाना
can't
ना
do
Dude, what
I
if we
wanted
still
to
at
go
the
5
airport?
hours, dude.
What if we still
He's
at
still
the
at the
airport?
airport.
Yeah.
बेचारा अब तो होमलेस ही हो गया होगा अब तो बेचारा यार बेचारा पाकिस्तान ट्रिप गया बाहर में
एक दिन तेरे घर के बाहर आएगा कि भाई आज का खाना भी दे दे
क्या खाना दिया है
मेरे
तूने
को पाकिस्तान तो जा नहीं पाया मैं तो थोड़ा खाना दे दे मेरे को
I mean, he got stranded in Delhi. That's better than going to Pakistan, dude. And he's lucky.
No, but like I'm sure he's going to some like mountains in Pakistan which are fucking beautiful.
Oh, really?
You haven't seen those?
I haven't seen those
Dude,
videos.
they have some
Yeah,
insane.
Kanchenjunga K2, the second tallest mountain in the world, is.
Yeah,
if I'm
no,
not
but
wrong, in
like they
Pakistan.
have. I forgot the valleys. There are some valleys in Pakistan. Oh my god.
He'll
dude.
reach K2 और वो पूछेगा लगेज का एक्चुअली सर K1 पे है K1 पे जाओ.
Wow, nice.
K3 जाके देखो.
Perfect.
Nice.
Perfect.
K3 में रहेगा.
If people have watched till here, then
Fuck boy ring.
Yeah,
Fuck
but
ring.
if you watch till here, just put a hashtag that says hashtag fuckboyring
Yeah.
and buy a ring. Okay,
Buy
buy
a
a ring
ring.
for yourself.
Yes.
And again, I'll like to remind you, we have a subreddit that we didn't start. I don't know why.
And we have a subscriber button also.
First subreddit, okay, subreddit, nahi, but like subreddit,
Yeah.
please put your products there, whatever you buy, if there are watches, rings, whatever it is.
If there's anything you want us to buy,
yeah,
oh yeah, that's
also
cool.
that.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
just put it on there, okay.
buy for us, not for you guys. What if they like buy us this?
What,
What if the
we
audience
post
is
the
like,
product,
buy us
hey,
this?
I want you to
Yeah.
buy me this.
Yeah, we're buying
Things
you
we
nothing.
can buy for ourselves.
Yeah. And subscribe, please.
Subscribe.
We'd like to. Okay. We'd like to reach 10,000 subscribers. I don't want to set a date just as fast as
No,
we
let's
can.
settle. They fucking give them a deadline.
Tomorrow. By tomorrow.
और अगर कल तक नहीं हुआ तो
Yeah. But subscribe, dude. Just subscribe. Okay. Subscribe. तो क्या बे क्या?
मैं कुछ बोलने
Like, I'm
वाला
saying,
था.
like, अगर कल तक नहीं हुआ तो सब unsubscribe करो उन्हें.
ओ हाँ तो देख लेना सालो.
देख लेना
ठीक.
भाई.
Just subscribe, comment ये सब कर दो.
फील्डिंग
ठीक है?
सेट कर देंगे हम.
Yeah.
हाँ सब कर देंगे. ठीक है कर दो. ठीक है
Yeah.
बस.
Please follow me on my YouTube also, Antrish Thakkar, That Filmy Game Show. Put out some great episodes coming. Yep. Anything else? to
Yeah.
plug, guys?
Yeah.
Come for live shows.
Please come
Yeah,
to
we'll
shows.
put a live show का
Yeah.
ये.
Check out his F1 podcast.
Yes, check out. Yeah, dude, what the fuck?
Come for
उसको
my
भी-
play. I'm doing the play again.
Yeah.
Come for the play.
ये भी कर दो और F1 वाले पॉडकास्ट का भी कर दो ना भाई 10
Yeah.
से मतलब उसका भी 10,000 करना है भाई थोड़े पैसे कमाने दो मैं
पहले
बस
इसका,
बस क्या बस पैसे ही बस गवाते रह गए हम बस डालते रह गए पैसे चल बाय निकलो